Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome to today's edition of our program. Let's educate each other. So I believe you guys have been following up this program. So today's topic still remains: if after breakup and your partner comes back and asks you for forgiveness, will you still go back to that relationship and continue the relationship, or you won't? So what's your own opinion based on this topic for today? So maybe you have seen the headline. In case if you don't understand, you can still ask during this our program, then I will still explain to you. Then you know how we normally do it in this program. Either you call in to share your own ideas, or you send your own um idea through comments. Then I will read it out. People that are joining us will hear from you and know what you're discussing on the program. So that's how I normally do it every Wednesday and Sunday, exactly 9 o'clock. So the program already started. So you can share the program, invite your friends. Like we always know how the program function. Nobody knows it all. We teach each other. We educate one another. Understand? So the line is, before I'll start picking the call, I will repeat the topic for today. Then I'll start bringing people to the cam so we can share ideas and educate one another. So the topic of today still remains: after breakup in a relationship and your partner come back to you and ask you for forgiveness, will you accept him or her back and let the relationship continue, or will you just forgive but the relationship will not continue? So that's just the topic for today. Then as for me, the presenter, for me to say, in my own point of view, I'll forgive and let everything go. But going back into the relationship, I don't think it will be possible, because I believe that what happened that caused the separation for the first time might will also still happen at the second coming back. So the better thing, as in for me, the best thing to do is for me to just let everything go. We forgive each other, then I forgive the person and the person forgives me as well. But coming back to the relationship, I don't think it's going to be possible. That's my own point of view. But we are going to be still friends, but coming back into that relationship again, I don't think it's going to be possible. So the line is open. Your own contribution is well needed, and let's share the ideas. So invite your friends. In case, even if you don't have anything to say, at least you can stay back and hear what others have to say. Okay, so nobody knows it all. That's the purpose of this program. Is here we share our ideas together to educate one another, to lecture each other, understand. So because nobody knows everything, we keep on learning every day, you understand. So that's just the main purpose of this particular program you're watching from, anywhere you're watching this program from. So even if you don't have anything to say, you can share it and invite your friends to join us on this program so we can hear what they have to say. Like we normally do it, the rules for this program is, when you call in, you tell us where you're calling from, your name, and where you're calling from as well. Then you tell us your own point of view, either by sending it by mail, by writing on the comments, or you can call in. We'll bring you up to the camera, then you say your mind. For all of us, as in, the most important thing again is that whatever thing we discuss in this program, please don't take it personal, because everything have a reason and a purpose why they bring this question. Because this question we are discussing today, someone sent it to me after Wednesday program, and I guess you guys watch Wednesday program, see how very hot and sweet it was. So after that program, someone sent a question that we are discussing today. So like we always do it, if you have anything bothering you or something you don't really understand, that you need to understand something about that, you can equally send the message to me. Then in our next program, which is Wednesday, because after today's program, which is on Sunday, the next time we're going to be having our program is on Wednesday. So if you send in the question that is bothering you, that you don't really understand, then on Wednesday we bring it up. Then we share the ideas together. Maybe someone else might have something to tell you that will benefit you from such thing. Understand? So you don't have to be scared or something like that. Just feel free to bring up such thing to us here. It's just like a youth that is educating one another. We are educating ourselves. That is the main purpose of the program. So don't take anything that you see here personally. Don't take it as if they are they are talking to you personally, or we are siding. No, you are just doing it openly. Just say your mind, because there's one parable that said someone's mind is not evil, it's not bad to him or her. Understand? Because in your own little way, your own little understanding, that's how you feel. You feel good in that way. So your own understanding might be different from someone else's understanding. So the point is, share your ideas with us. We can learn from you. You can learn from us as well. That's just the point. So the line is always open. You can call and make your own contribution. So let me quickly go back to comment box and see what people are saying already. Then we'll see how we move on the program. So starting from the first comment, I have here with me, Series the comedian said, "You are good." Okay, thank you. Then as we go on the program, it's Oluwa Praise. Oluwa Shop Praise said, today topic, please. Okay, today topic is after a breakup in a relationship or a divorce in a marriage, and your partner comes back and asks you for forgiveness, will you accept him or her back and go back into that relationship, or will you just forgive and let the relationship just go? You can't continue the relationship. So share your own point of view on this. Then May Don Vicky Perfect said, "God bless, bro." Okay, thank you, bro, so much for joining us on this program. So they'll have a caller in the building. Let me bring him up and see what he has to say. So that's how we do it every Sunday, every Wednesday and Sunday. Exactly 9 p.m. So, oh, you're welcome, my brother.
Good evening, everyone.
Evening. So, where are you calling from? What's your name and where are you calling from, please?
I'm calling from Italy. My name is Kevin.
Okay, you're welcome to the program.
Good. Before I say whatever I want to say, I want to know the topic of today.
Okay, the topic of today is, in a relationship or in a marriage, there's a time that there will be a problem. They will break up in the relationship, or they will go to divorce for the marriage. So then after the breakup or after the divorce, if one of the partner comes back to apologize for the other one and ask for forgiveness, if you are the one, will you accept back the apology? And we lost that caller. But as I was still saying, will you accept the apology and let the relationship continue, or will you just accept the apology and forgive the person, but you will not go back to the relationship? So let's hear what you have to say. Let's accept another caller in the building. We have so many callers today. So please, if you're calling us today, just have to make your point easy. So because you have a lot of callers coming in, so they have to make their own point of view. Just go straight to the point and tell us your own point of view. So that's how it is. We do it today, so we can be able to attend to all the calls that are coming in. Okay, so please, let's just do it as we normally do it then, and at the end of the day, we have to learn one from each other. We have to learn from each other. I say, okay. So let me quickly go back to the comment box while we are bringing another person to the camera, because we lost the other caller that was calling us from Italy. Me Don Vicky Perfect said, "God bless, bro. Bless you too, my brother. Thanks for joining us today." Then me Don Vicky. Okay. Oluwa Shop is on cam already. So tell us your name and where you're calling from, please.
Good evening, friends.
Yeah,
My name is Praise from Ghana.
Okay, you're calling from Ghana.
Yeah, I'm from Ghana.
Okay, so what do you think about
Yeah.
the topic? What do you have to say? If you find yourself in that kind of situation, what will you say?
I'll forgive her as long as the love is there. I'll forgive her. Yeah.
Okay.
Will you go? Thing,
okay. Will you go back with the
yeah.
Will you go back to the relationship, or you just let everything go?
I'll go back.
Okay, you continue the relationship.
I'll go back to the relationship as long as I love the girl. So.
Okay, thank you very much. As you guys can see, Oluwa Place have just called in now, have just made his own contribution. He said for him in person, he will accept the girl back as long as the love is still existing there. He will accept the girl back and the relationship will continue. So that's his own opinion. Understand? So we have another caller in the building. So that's how we're going to be rushing it today, so we can be able to bring everybody to the topic today, so we can be able to contribute normally to the program. So, brother, you're welcome back.
Good evening, my brother.
You're welcome. Good evening. You're welcome back. So, please, for the benefit of those that are joining us new, what's your name and where you're calling from again, please?
I'm coming from Italy. My name is Kevin.
Okay. So, what do you have to say?
Before I say anything, I really want to know the topic of today.
Okay. The topic of today is: I believe you're in a relationship. Even if you're not in a relationship, you have been in once before. So, the question is: if you're in a relationship and along the line you break up with your partner, and after some months, after some years, she come back to beg you and said that she's really sorry for what she's done. I want to go back into the relationship again. What will you do? Will you accept the apology and start and pick up the relationship back, or will you just accept the apology and let the relationship go?
Well, first and foremost, I want to greet everyone in the house. Good evening,
Okay, you're
everyone. Happy
welcome.
Sunday to everybody.
Okay,
The
you're
truth is
welcome.
that, as for my own opinion, if I
Yes.
have a good relationship,
Okay.
not less than maybe 2 or 3 months, and the
Okay.
girl really show me who she is, and
Okay.
she break up with me, maybe I find out she's not what I thought she is,
Yeah.
I will forgive her. I will go away. I will
Okay.
find my way. She will find her way.
Okay.
But by which I am in a relationship of good 5 years. For example, let me make myself an example.
Okay.
I have a girlfriend. I
Okay.
don't have a girlfriend in Europe. I have a girlfriend in Nigeria.
Okay.
And she has been with me from the one. Even before I
Okay.
travel, she has been there. Before I
Okay.
travel, I discuss with her. She support me and everything.
Okay.
We have been dating for more than 4 years or close to 5 years now.
Okay.
If she virtually do a little mistake by maybe dating another person or sleeping with another man, if I come home today and she open up to me without I do not find out,
Yeah.
because of the truth,
Yeah.
I have, she has told me, as she tell me the truth, I do not find out
Okay.
before she tell me, I will forgive
Okay.
her.
Okay.
Because
You go back.
in
You
life,
go on with the relationship.
yes, in life, anybody can do mistake. Even me
Okay.
in Europe here, I can do a little mistake by seeing one girl, talk to her, one thing, another thing, lead to
Yeah.
another thing. And
Okay.
maybe if I go to home, if I go to Nigeria tomorrow, maybe I will tell her. Now we still play for forgiveness, and I expect her to forgive me. And if she do
Okay.
that mistake, yes, I still expect to forgive her.
Okay.
But in Europe here, we see each
Yeah.
other every day. I
Okay.
see you, you see me, whatever you need. Not I can provide everything, but a little
Yeah.
of it I can provide it. And you
Yeah.
don't have the right to go to another man.
Okay.
If I am not representing myself as a man, fine, it's okay. You can leave me, go wherever you want to go.
Yeah.
But since I'm here with you, you know that I have, not that I'm selfish.
Yeah.
The little I have, I share with you. And you
Okay.
see how things are.
Yeah.
Then yet, you have big eye for everything. Like, I want to buy this, I want to do this, I want to do this. In
Yeah.
that process, if you do any mistake, like you go outside and
Yeah.
you come back to tell me it's just a mistake, I will never forgive you.
Okay.
I will not forgive you
Okay.
because
You
I will
you will not
simply
forgive
take it. I will simply take
you.
it like you know what you do. You know
Okay.
what you did. You understand? You just do
Yeah.
it to spite me,
Okay.
to know if I'm a man or not.
Okay.
I hope you are getting me. But in a far
Yes.
relationship, distant relationship,
Yeah.
as mine, and a little mistake, I can forgive you because one, I have
You are
known
not there.
you.
Yeah.
Just accept that maybe I'm not there. One, I
Yeah.
have known you. I know your character. I know the way you behave. You know me. And besides, I am not there. And if anything occur, you did a little mistake, I must forgive you. Why? Because
Okay.
if I do the same, I'm expecting you for you to forgive me. I hope you are getting what I'm trying to say.
Yeah. Yeah.
You
We
may
are hearing
forgive
you.
the girl.
Everybody in the house is hearing you.
You may forgive the girl because you still love the girl. Because
Yeah.
by mistake tomorrow you might you for example, the relationship will lead to marriage. where it lead to marriage.
Yeah.
As a married man, something might happen that maybe you take a girl out, you over drink, and something lead to something, and you sleep with the girl. As a guy that you do not, as a man that you do not keep secret for your wife, you understand? When you go home and your conscience will not allow you, you have to speak out for your conscience to be at rest. You have to, sweetheart, I'm sorry. This is what I did yesterday or the day before yesterday. I know it's a bad thing, but please, can you forgive me? You expect her to forgive you. It's just a mistake.
Yes.
Nobody is above mistake.
Okay.
But let me tell you the advantage of it. For example, as I'm here now, I have a girlfriend here. I have a girlfriend in Nigeria. You understand?
Yeah.
Then that my girlfriend in Nigeria has spent more than 5 years with me. Then I got married here. I got married here with white woman.
Yeah.
When I got married here with white man, it is said that I need documents or I need citizen here to stay. Then I did not discuss with the girl in Nigeria. At the end of the day, when I come to Nigeria, maybe I do not talk to the girl. We just play 1 month or 2 months. I stay in Nigeria. I will come back. At the end of the day, the girl will not find out that all I've been saying is lie. That I have married here, I have white woman, he has even have kids for me. In that kind of situation, do you expect the girl to forgive you? When he has stayed more than 5 or 6 years waiting for you. Any suitors has been calling, seeking for her in marriage. She refused because of you. At the end of the day, you now, please, will you forgive me? My brother or my sisters, anybody around. That is not out of mistake. That is devil. That is wickedness. You understand? If you have a girl who you promise that I will marry you today or tomorrow, and the way things are, it change, please call her or him. Please, I do not understand the way things are. The way I thought it will be, things are changed. Please, this is what is happening. Please, what will you? I hope you understand what I'm saying. Because one thing in life is that if you disappoint a man, if you disappoint a guy who has have much hope on you, much confidence in you, he trusts you with his life, and you disappoint him, he will not even go to church, will not go to any babalawo, just lead her and say, God, fight for me. You are doomed as a girl. Or as a guy, you are doomed. The tears that come out.
It's vice versa.
You understand? I'm just telling you the vice versa. It's not for only one person. As for the girl, the tears that come out for the girls, for the girl eye, can make you suffer for the rest of your life. Equally to the boy. The best way is for you to be truthful, to be straightforward to someone you say you love. Tell him or her, this is what is happening. Please, I'm sorry. It's not what I think, but this is how things are now. He will forgive you. If he truly loves you, say, okay, do whatever you want. If you come here, do my marriage. I will stay here. I will not be bothered. If you are taking care of me. I hope you are getting me. But by keeping the guy or the girl in darkness for many years, she will not get married, or the boy will not get married. It is said that he is waiting for you. He will not know that you have a guy in Europe or a girl in Europe. You even have kids. Yeah, my brother. That is not mistake. When you tell the girl you are mistake, I will take it as devil. You are the devil to destroy my life. So for that reason now, I can never forgive you.
Okay. So I hope people in the house, I hope you guys are hearing and you're following us. So You have heard what Mr. Kevin all the way from Italy just said. So that's his that's its own part of view. That's how he saw it in his own side. So about you that are still viewing and listening to us, so we are still expecting more calls. So Mr. Kevin, thank you very much for giving us this word of your own opinion in this topic today. So I just hope you stay back and watch what other people are still going to say. I'm going to cut off from camera now.
I'm still here.
And bring other people to the
when I listen to people, listen to comments, listen to ideas, I will still contribute. I'm still here. Thank you very much, my brother.
Okay, no
God bless you.
Okay, now. Yeah, bye. Yeah. So that's how we do it on the program. It's not just one person program. So please, I'm still saying it. If you're calling us, just make your topic easier and fast as possible so that others can call in on the program. Okay. So we are bringing another person to the camera. So hello, where are you calling from? What's your name and where are you calling from, please?
My name is Elvis White.
Okay, where are you calling from?
Bologna,
okay,
Italy.
So what do you have to tell us on this topic today? We are discussing. I hope you know the topic we are discussing today.
No, I don't really know the topic.
Okay. The topic we are discussing today is if you're into a relationship and after some months, after some year, you both break up in that relationship, and either you or the girl come back to each other to beg for forgiveness. Will you forgive the girl and continue the relationship, or will you forgive the girl and don't continue the relationship? So what will you do?
In that case, based on before the relationship will crash, at least there will be a reason before the relationship will get crashed.
Okay.
Maybe it's just two options. Maybe the option the problem came from the man or from the woman.
Okay.
But as a matter of fact, but if it comes from the man, at least maybe you may make some explanation for, like, maybe the girl, you are the one that made the mistake that make the relationship to have issue.
Okay.
Maybe you now apologize, but you know some girls, they cannot ever forgive.
Okay.
If you make apology, because you apologize, they will forgive.
Okay.
But they will take it for instance, say, I don't know what I will do, because if I am able to say, let me forgive now, maybe it will happen again, or it will not happen again. Okay. But on that case, at least for you to just go away with it, just like you do your things, let her do her things.
Okay.
Maybe if God say both of you will be together, you'll be together. If God say it's not for you, it will go. Because if you be able to like force yourself into the relationship, the relationship is not going well. There is no way but both of you can get married.
Yeah.
Because after it's not for you.
Okay.
You just help the girl to like maybe to push one or two things along. Because if you are forcing yourself into a relationship where by mistake there will be a breakup, you now try to settle, even though the settlement came back. If it's not for you, it's not for you. I'm going to be your own forever.
Okay. So thank you very much for your own contribution. Viewers in the house, everybody in the building, I hope you guys have just heard what Elvis White all the way from Bologna just said to us. So like this program, Elvis White, you're welcome to the program. Thank you for your own contribution. I can bring another person to the camera because I have a lot of callers in the building. So I beg you to stay back and watch what other people have to say as well. So thank you very much for joining us on today's program. So viewers in the house have seen it. I'm not the one saying it now. We have heard from Oluwaseun Praise, we have heard from Kevin, also heard from Elvis White, and I'm going to go to the comment box and also read out the comment box that are coming in so far. So the topic of today, I think everybody needs to contribute on this program because it's happening on our everyday life. It's happening on our every basic life of everybody, because I believe at least 95% of everybody watching this live video now, joining us in this program now, have been once in a relationship, a broke up relationship. How do you feel? Do you, as in, just let us know if you happen to find yourself in that position and that girl or that guy comes back as a girl and the guy comes back to you, or as a boy and the girl comes back to you and asks you for forgiveness. What will you do? Will you accept the relationship back and will you forgive and let the relationship continue moving, or will you just forgive and let everybody just find his or her own way? So let me go back to the comment box, and while we are still going ahead with the program, excuse me, then I stopped at McDon Vicky said, interesting topic. Okay, thank you. And S.A. Anderson said, happy Sunday. Okay, we wish you all the best. It's Oluwashopre said, my network is bad. Okay, I'm so sorry for that. It's not only you, it may be happening to another person. And Prince Nicholas Shade said, I dey feel you, bro. Okay, thank you very much. Ife Paris said, hi, okay, you're welcome to the program. It's Lovett. It's Lovett said, good evening, guys. Okay, you're welcome to the program. DJ Utobo Jesse said, happy Sunday. Okay, you're welcome, sir. You have another caller in the building. A lot of callers, but we have to be doing it one after the other so that everybody will be carried along. So we do this program every Wednesday and Sunday just to share ideas together. We just put this program together just to educate one another, just to share ideas together. So if you're calling us on this program, we normally do it once you call in, you tell us your name and where you're calling from, and then you contribute to the topic we are discussing. So please don't whatever thing we discuss in this program, we are doing just to educate each other, because the person that brought this topic now might be in that category now. Just all you need now, nobody knows it all. You understand? All you just need just for one or two ideas, then you put it up with the one you have, then you get your best answer what to do next. So as you're watching this program, if you know that you find this program so much interesting, please keep on inviting your friends and don't try to miss each and every this program we are doing, because every day we do this program, we have a very interesting topic to discuss that will make you to know your direction in life or what you are about to do. So we lost that caller we are adding, so we have to bring another person to the camera and see what the person have to tell us on this program. So as you see, please, whatever thing that happen, okay, we have already had the caller in the building. Hello, good evening. Where are you calling from? What's your name?
Yeah, good evening.
Yeah, where are you calling from? What's your name, please? For the benefit of those that are
Calling
watching us.
from Napoli.
Okay.
My name is Elvis.
Okay, his name is Elvis, all the way from Napoli. Napoli is in Italy. For those who don't know where Napoli is in Italy. So, Elvis, what do you have to tell us in this topic we are discussing today?
Actually, I just read about your write-up on this topic, and I said it's okay,
Yeah.
and it's a good topic
Yeah,
for
thank you
everyone.
very much for that.
Understand? Because we learn every day. Every day we wake up in the morning, we have to learn. That's why
Yeah.
it becomes a part of man's life.
Yeah.
You know what? Having a relationship, then both of you broke up and you decide to come back, it's never a fair relationship then. Because the reason of you departing from each other, you have a lot of complaint over someone, and the person have a lot of fault over you without she or him trying to call you, sit his or herself towards you.
Okay.
He left, you departed. What was there bringing you back? Is it the back pussy or the main sex that you're having? Try and think about the future and the kind of children you are going to bring with a bad reputation before, of which forgiveness is a normal thing, but to forget is not a normal thing. We can easily forgive, but we cannot forget. So try and understand. You cannot go back to your relationship or the food you've eaten before. When you throw it out, will you go and eat it back?
Yeah, that's why the topic is, because everybody needs to contribute in this. So in your own aspect, in your own point of view, is that for you won't go back to that relationship again, because we are taking this as a personal issue. In your own, if you find yourself in that position, what will you do? So I can understand in your own aspect now, you won't go back to that relationship again, but you forgive the girl, right?
You can forgive, but you cannot go back.
Okay. So thank you very much for your own contribution, because I have a lot of callers in the building. I just hope you will stay behind and watch and hear from other people. So thank you very much for contributing. So please share, if you find it, as you said, the topic is interesting, just share the program and let's hear from other people, from your friends as well. Okay. So thank you for calling. Yeah. So you guys, you have heard it from Elvis all the way from Napoli. So I will try as much as possible to bring everybody to the camera tonight, and so we make your own contribution and let's see how it goes. And please, before I go on with this caller, please, if you're calling us, just make sure that we're able to see you and know who is calling us, because last time we did our program, some people are complaining that people are putting up their life. They don't like it that way. Please, we are not forcing anybody to, as in just abide to the rules of the program, so we benefit from each other. Thank you very much. So hello, where are you calling from and what's your name? Hello. Okay, we lost that caller. Please, like I said before, if you're calling us on this program, please make sure you are the place where there is light, okay? So I can be able to see you, and people you are talking to will also see who is talking to them. Please, don't take anything you are doing here so personal, because we are here to learn. You understand? We are not criticizing anybody or making anybody to feel bad. And please, if you are calling us, just make your topic, just make your points sharp, so I can bring another person to the camera, because I have a lot of people calling in. Please, thank you very much. So, please, what's your name and where you're calling from? Thank you for joining us.
Hey, Essie from Airport.
Effort, please,
Yeah,
just be sincere so that people will know, because not everybody knows where is effort, and nobody as in say the way that people
Airport from Germany.
okay, airport from Germany. Okay, Esther is calling all the way from Germany to contribute to this program. So what do you have to tell us on this program before we continue?
Yeah, but I so much love the program, but
Okay,
it's vice versa, you understand? So
yeah,
if God had died for our sin, we easily forgive us. Why
yeah,
we human being cannot forgive? We have to
yes,
forgive, no matter the
okay,
situation. Is very right for a woman to make mistake and
yeah,
learn from there.
okay,
So when your woman make mistake, your girlfriend or his girlfriend is not wife. You
yeah,
understand? So you have to forgive her and let
yeah,
bygone be bygone. You
okay.
understand? So
So
I so much
will you go
believe
back to
of
the
forgiveness.
relationship, or won't you go back to the relationship?
Yeah,
Will you
you will
continue
go
the
back to
relationship?
relationship. Yeah,
Okay,
you will have to go back.
your own idea, your own perspective, you continue the relationship, right?
Yeah. It's
Okay,
possible.
okay,
God created everyone.
yeah,
So you can't just because of one or two, maybe your girlfriend misbehave, you just
yeah,
ignore her. No. Forgive is
okay,
allowed and it's very good. You
okay,
understand? You have to forgive. So you not
okay,
swear oath. You not leak blood before you dey commit sin. So you not need to say I no forgive that kind of person. No. It's very
okay,
possible to forgive. Everybody for the house have the heart to forgive. Please learn how to forgive. When you
okay.
forgive, you will get something right. That's
Yeah.
just it. I greet you, bro.
Okay, thank you very
Happy
much for
Sunday.
joining us today. How is
I
Germany? I
greet
hope
you,
Germany
Mama.
is okay.
Yeah. The
Okay,
topic is very nice.
okay, thank
I
you very
love
much
that.
for joining us on this program. So please
All right.
invite more of your friends. Let's hear from them. Let's hear what they have to
Yes,
say.
I shared the video to 30 of my
Wow,
friends
wow,
now.
wow, you're doing a great job. Thank you very much. So
Yeah,
let's sit back
that's
and
just
hear
it.
what people are saying, and let's learn from each other. Thank you, brother, for calling
Yeah.
all the way from Germany. Thank you very much
All
for a
right. I
wonderful
will still
contribution.
join you back. Maybe if you make a comment that will contribute, I will still join you back.
No problem. The line is always free. So you
All right.
just hit your point, so we can be able to bring so many people online, so we can hear from each other. Thank you very much
All
for
right.
joining us.
All right.
Okay, now thank you.
I
Bye.
greet you, bro. You
Okay,
get
now
mad.
bye. Yeah. So as you can see, let me as we have gone so far, I have to go back to the comment box and see what we have on the comment box. And if I said please hi, then it's Lovex said good evening guys, okay. DJ Tobo Jesse said happy Sunday, okay. It's Best said happy Sunday, okay. Lofechino Connect, please, I have to beg you guys on this. In case I mispronounce your name, please don't pick offense on me, because some names are so hard to pronounce, but I'll try as much as possible I can be able to, so I can be able to pronounce it at least in a rightful way, okay. So but if even if I didn't get it right, please forgive me. Nobody's above mistake. Thank you very much. Let me still go back to the topic. Life of Chino Connect said good topic, okay. Thank you very much. Say Nigerian Franco said depends, okay. Say Nigerian Franco said to hell is human, to forgive is divine, okay. Alex Osazua said happy Sunday. Alex Osazua said lovely. Say Nigerian Franco said bros, it's not everyone that live to put on their, it's not, it's bros, it's not everyone that love, I believe you want to say love, that love to put on their life. But this issue, some people are complaining that they are not seeing who is talking to them, or who is giving their own opinion. Please, let's just abide on that kind of a thing, please. I'm begging you. It's not because of me. You understand? I'm good with any, even I'm good in any means you want to do your own, but I'm just here to let us learn from each other. I'm good in any method you want to use, but for the benefit of others that are benefiting from me, they said they would like to be seeing the person that is telling them what he have to his or her own opinion, so that for peace to reign, and let not be like if you are doing partiality in this program. let's just abide to the rules, okay? Please. And again, it's not much you must speak English or correct English or broken, or and you can speak in any language you can be able to speak, because I believe in the house you must see someone that will understand what you're saying. You understand? That's just the point. So thank you very much. Alex Osazua said nice one. And Senaji and Franco said, no be everyone like to on their lights, okay? We heard you. Eviswai said, nice one, bro, okay? You're welcome. Alex Osazu said, na so, okay? Harry Savior said, love is about giving freedom and power, not about gaining control or positions, okay? I agree to let's Ostino said agree to one name mad, okay. We have an account in the building, so tell us your name and where you're calling from, please.
Yeah, this is Alex Osazugwa.
Okay, where are you calling from?
I'm calling for Spain.
Okay, what do you have to tell us on today's topic and what you are discussing? What do you have to contribute?
So my contribution is that about what the boy said, I contribute to the boy.
Okay.
It's very nice to learn how to forgive and forget.
Okay. So that's your
Yeah.
contribution. Yeah, thank you very much for
Yeah.
joining us on this program. I have to bring another person to the camera. Alias Osazua said, for his own understanding, for his own perspective, you have to learn how to forgive and forget and go on with the relationship. Okay. We have another person in the building. Saint Chuku JP said, what's the topic, bro? Okay. For the benefit of those that are joining us new for today edition of Let's Educate Each Other, the topic for today is, if you are into a relationship and after some months, after some years, and you break up on that relationship, and the girl come back to beg you for forgiveness, or the boy come back to the girl and beg for forgiveness, if you are in that position, will you accept the apology and continue with the relationship, or will you just forget about the relationship but you forgive the person? So that's just the topic for today's program. So that's how we are doing it every Wednesday and every Sunday. You call in and you make your own contribution. Let's learn from each other, because nobody knows it all. That's just the main purpose for this program. So we have another caller in the building. Please, can you turn on your light, because people are complaining that they're okay. Thank you very much for doing that.
My brother.
You're welcome to the program. What's your name and where you're calling from? For the benefit of those that are joining us for the first time. Hello.
Well, anyway, I greet you, my brother. You know me, I know you now. Which shall become you? What is your name?
Yeah, no, don't forget I know you know me. Just for the benefit of those that are watching, I'm not the only one you are talking to. You are talking to a full house.
Well, anyway, you are perfectly right. Anyway, I'm calling from Mota.
Okay.
My name is Neve Arume Motingo. Well, anyway, what is the program all about?
The program is Let's Educate Each Other. So let's learn from each other. Then the topic we are discussing today is, if you find yourself in a relationship that at the end of after 2-3 months or after 1 year, you guys broke up, and after some months or after some days, the girl come back to you as a guy and said, okay, maybe the fault is from her or the fault is from you. You go to each other and said, okay, I'm so sorry for what happened. I want us to continue the relationship back. If you find yourself in that category or in that position, will you forgive the girl, or will the girl forgive you and continue the relationship, or will you just forgive everyone who got part his own way?
All right, thank you very much.
Okay, you're welcome.
If she left me when I was
it's like you're not,
and later come back when I'm rich, I don't know if you understand what I'm saying.
yes. Okay, because network is breaking.
If she left me when I was broke.
Okay. Oh God, what is happening to your network?
If she left,
okay,
my network is good. I just don't know why. If she left me when I was broke and later come back when I'm rich, she doesn't love me. Can you hear me?
Okay, if you left, yeah, can you repeat now so I can hear you again? Hello? Hello? Hi. Oh.
forgive the person, but you get. For example, can you hear me very well?
No, you know the network is break. We don't really get what you're trying to say. Is a kind of cracking and as in it's shaking. I don't know if you can call us back or you can then you can call us back. The line is always open because it's breaking. You can't really get what you're trying to say. You're not getting it
All right,
clearly.
all right.
Can you talk now? Let's see how it goes now. Can you? Okay. We lost that caller because the network seems to be somehow bad. We are not really hearing what he's saying. Bros Sobobo Elvis Marcos said, "Good evening, everyone." Okay, you're welcome, my brother. And Henry Savior, oh, yeah. Henry Savior said, "You must love yourself first to be able to love and receive love from another. There must always be a forgiveness." Okay, that one is coming from Henry Savior. So, guys, I believe this topic tonight is a very nice and interesting topic that everybody needs to contribute in this topic so that we learn from each other. Because I believe that person that sent in this question this week between we do it Wednesday and Sundays, and the last time we did the program was on Wednesday. So the question that came in between Thursday, Friday, Saturday, being yesterday and today is Sunday. So that's why I'll bring it up today again for us to discuss about it. So in your own opinion, as in your own uh thinking or your own perspective, you're into a relationship now. Like I was trying to get what our brother that just ended, that just called the last caller just said. He said if the girl left him when he was broke, and now something things turn around for him and he become rich, and the girl now came back, that means there's no love there. You understand? So I think that's what he was trying to explain to us when the network was seriously giving us a hectic problem. But I believe he's going to call back and finish up what he was trying to do, what he was trying to explain, so we all can gain exactly what he is trying to tell us. Understand? Because nobody really knows it all. You keep on learning each day. Like one of our callers said, each day you wake up, you keep on learning. So that's how that's how it is. You understand? I will have a comment in the program. He said you can forgive but not easily to forget. Well, that's coming from Nafia Irion Notigo. Okay, we have another caller in the building. Welcome to the program. What's your name and where you're calling from?
Innocent by name.
Please, can you speak a little bit louder because we are not hearing you clearly.
Hear me? Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
So I want to know the topic of today.
Okay.
You
The
know,
topic of today.
I didn't join you. I didn't join you on time, so I didn't know
Okay.
the topic of today.
Okay, there's no problem. You don't have to worry about that. Let me quickly break it down for you. The topic of today is you enter a relationship, and after some months, after some year, the girl now break up with you. You understand? The girl now break up with you. I will still be explaining. The girl now break up with you. So after breaking up with you, after some months, she now came back and asked you for forgiveness. Will you forgive her and continue with the relationship, or will you just, forgive her and move on with your life? So we have the caller back in the building. Please, you're welcome back. So
Yeah,
I guess
hello.
we have to hear you clearly.
Yeah,
Yeah,
can you
your
hear
network
me?
is good now. Thank God.
Can you hear me very well?
Yeah, it's perfectly okay now. Thank God for that.
All right.
So
Okay, so
you,
just like what I'm trying to say is that you can forgive, but it is very difficult for a man to forget.
yes,
You
not only
understand
man,
me?
both women, not only men,
She might,
everybody. It's for everybody.
but
Yeah,
every human created,
yeah.
every
I'm so sorry we lost that caller again. I don't really know what is wrong with his network. Something I can't really tell. So I don't know.
Hello.
Yeah, we have another caller in the building. Sorry, I just want to get
Uh-huh.
what I will drink.
You were
So
saying
I
something.
guess I've heard the topic, right?
You said after
Yeah, you have heard.
you are in a relationship.
Yes,
Uh-huh.
you are in a relationship now for like a year or like some months, and you guys broke up, and you know that the fault is not from you. Maybe the fault is from the girl. And after some months, the girl now came back to you and said, "Okay, look at what happened. I'm so sorry for what happened. I'm still in love with you. I want us to come back to that relationship. Will you forgive the girl and continue the relationship, or will you just forgive the girl and die the relationship?
What I see there, it depends on how the girl offended you. You
Yeah.
understand? Like for me
Yes.
now, if I'm in a relationship and
Okay.
my girlfriend offended me by cheating on me,
Okay.
by cheating on me,
Okay.
I will forgive her, but I will not accept her because I know that that spirit will still be in her.
Okay.
Definitely, if we got married in the future, she will still do the same thing because forget to be into relationship, maybe for a relationship for so long, you guys have understand each other for like months, 1 year or 2 years. You have done so many things for her. Then she now went back to go and maybe sleep with your best friend or have sex outside. You understand? It's just for
Yeah.
you to forgive her. You forgive her because even when Jesus Christ came, he can say we should love and we forgive. You understand? Even God in heaven forgive us from our sins. I will forgive
Okay.
her, but we will not come back. We will not
Okay.
come back. You
Okay.
understand? I will forgive her, we will not come back. But it depends. If if I want to, maybe for example, if he did not cheat on me, maybe she did other things,
Yeah.
I will I will accept her. Depend on what she did. But if she cheats on me, I don't think I
Yeah.
will forgive her because that cheating is a very strong thing in a relationship. It's a very strong thing. I'm telling you the fact. It's a very
Yeah.
strong thing. Because you cannot be
Yeah.
into a relationship, you guys have understand each other, and your girlfriend is not cheating on you. It doesn't make
Yeah.
any sense.
Okay.
It doesn't make any sense. It's like it's denying you of your right. It doesn't make any sense. It's just for you
Okay.
to forgive her and move on.
Okay.
Just to forgive her and move on. But to me, I will forgive her, but I don't think we can move on. She have already been my ex. She's my ex. She can invite me on a party. She can even call me on our marriage, everything. I will be with her. We will eat together, but we will not come back again.
Wow.
I don't know.
Okay.
I'm
Okay.
talking from
Yeah.
my
Just
own.
you just sit back. You just sit back and hear what others people have to say, because we have so many callers. So many callers have called before and say so many things. So just sit back and hear from other people. Thank you very much, Mr. Sent, for joining us on the today program. So invite your friends so they
Welcome.
can hear what you are saying.
Okay, you are welcome.
Yeah, thank you very much. So as you guys can see, the program is getting more interesting. We have gotten so many callers all the way from Ghana, Germany, France, and so many parts from this planet, so many countries from this planet, okay? And so many have already contributed so much and said, for them, some people agreed to go back to the relationship, and some agree that they will not go back to the relationship, but they will forgive the girl. Like I said in my own time, I said, I will forgive, but going back to the relationship, I don't think I can be able to do that, because I can't continue living in regret, or I can't continue living in suspect, because let's say, see, forgiveness is good, but to forget, it takes divine for you to forgive. But because once you see that person, definitely you must remember what happened, and you see that forgetfulness is not there. So for you not to still live in that past, live in that pain of the past, just allow the person to go. Just forgive the person. You guys can be friends and you can share things, but going back into that relationship, as for me, I'm just talking about myself. I'm not talking about, I don't know about you, but I'm just talking
Yeah.
about myself. Okay, you're welcome back, bros. Oh, your network is bad, but people are calling and making their own contribution without no break. Hello, just that caller again. So that's just the point. If that's just the simple truth about it. If you know that you can forgive and go back with the relationship, fine. But if you know that you can't be able to you can forgive, but you can't be able to go back to the relationship, fine. Because everybody have his or her own test, understand? Because for me, I believe that what made her to cheat on you and come back and ask for forgiveness, definitely one day that same thing will also make her to cheat again for the second time, or for the third time, or for the fourth time going on. That's what I believe, understand? Because if she never meant to do that, I don't see the reason why she should go for that first, or for cheating for the first time. You understand? That's just the simple truth about the matter. For me, I don't know about you, but I'm just telling you in my own angle the way I see it. You understand? So forgiveness is good, but for me, going back to the relationship or continuing the whatever so-called love of a thing, I think because coming back for the second time doesn't, that first love is already dead. That's how I describe it on my own. That first love is already dead. It can't be revived. Even if you revive it back, one day you must see flash your mind back and say, look at what happened, look at what, and that sadness will still come back to you again. So that's just the point. So like I said before, someone's opinion is not bad to him or her. Understand? So nobody knows it all. We are just sharing experiences. Like Saint Chuku just said, he can forgive, but going back to the relationship, he cannot do that. That's his own understanding, and that's what I also believe on my own. So let me quickly read down the comment box and said, John Paul said, good evening. Oh, okay, you're welcome. Joe Crack NG said, why you dey sell me all these people wey don tire? Well, I don't know what you're talking about. That's your own contribution. No problem. You're welcome. Thank you so much. Alex Osazua said, na so, okay. Alex Osazua said, lovely. Alex Osazua said, one love, okay. Nice one, okay. Alex Osazua said, okay. Then Notigo said, my brother, forgive, okay? I know it's not easy, but forgive. Yes, everybody's entitled to forgive, but to forget is what is another thing. As I said, Naso broke. Monde Frank said, Monde Frank said, Monde Frank said, nice one, okay? John Paul said, today topic, okay? Today topic still remains, if you find yourself in a relationship after 2-3 months or after 1 year, you guys broke up, and after some months later the girl or the guy comes back to you or come back to her and said, okay, I'm sorry for what happened, look at what happened, I'm so sorry, I want us to come back as we were before, as in what I'm talking about, for them to come back to that relationship again. If you find yourself in that shoe, in that category, or you find yourself in that person's shoe, will you forgive her and continue the relationship, or will you just forgive her and don't go back to the relationship again? That's just the topic for today. So I believe this is a very nice topic for us to learn, because the person that sent in this topic now, I believe he have gone through such a thing. That's why he come up with this kind of topic. And I know that so many people have not experienced it before, but with this kind of program, you might know what to do if you find yourself in that kind of position, and what to do and how to avoid it. So that's just the point. Okay, so you can just call in like we normally do. You can call in, or you can send your comment box. I'm here to serve you. I'm your servant. I'm your, whatever. Just send in your topic, just send in your comments. I will read it. But if you prefer to do it to make my reading and my minutes to be more easier for me by calling, I will bring you up to the camera. Then you say it out. Then people will hear from the horse's mouth. They'll hear from you direct. So I think that's more better if you can do it that way. But if you cannot do it that way, you can send in your comments. I'm here to read. I will read it definitely for people to hear what you write in on the program. So as you are accepting, as you are adding up another caller in the building, I believe you guys are sharing the program. Invite your friend. Maybe your friends may have something to tell us that you don't know before, and what you don't even think of before. Your friend might be the one to tell us, and we learn from that. So that's just it. That's just the simple truth. Pretty Bana said, nice topic. Okay, thank you very much. Miss Grace said, hello everyone, you're welcome to the program. So that's how we do it every Wednesday and Sunday. We don't normally do it, but particularly Wednesday and Sunday is the main day we normally do it. So in case you miss today's program, after the program they share it and you watch it later, in case you miss it, don't fail to miss Wednesday, because we have another wonderful and interesting topic to discuss on Wednesday, because that one is, as it's happening every day. Like the question is already at hand. Someone sent it we just sent it yesterday, thinking we are going to discuss it today, but I told the person that we have another topic already, so we are not going to discuss that today. So maybe we are going to be discussing it on Wednesday. So that's how we do it in this program. So he said, nice topic. Pretty Mena said, nice topic. Okay. Miss Grace said, hi everyone, you're welcome. You share. Ruksa said, good evening. And what is the topic? Okay. The topic for today is, if you are in a relationship of 5 months or 6 months or whatever relationship at all, and after a while you guys broke up, you understand, and the one of you now came back to each other and asked for forgiveness, will you forgive and said, I want us to continue this relationship like we were before? Will you forgive and continue the relationship, or will you just forgive and not continue the relationship? That's just the topic for today. I believe that this is a topic that everybody needs to make a nice contribution on it. Okay, Miss Grace said, if there is love, said if there is love, we accept him back. Okay, that's your own opinion. That's what is coming from Miss Grace. She said, if we are in love, if there is love, sorry, misread it. He said, if there is love, we accept him back. Okay, so that's your own opinion. Like every other person have made his own opinion. Some people said they will accept it back. Some people said they will never accept it back. So, like I said before, your own opinion is not bad to you. You know yourself. You know how you want your love life to look like. So that's just how it is. So please, if you find this program interesting, because during the week I got a lot of calls and a lot of friend requests telling me that, brother, you have been doing a great job, we love your program. And since one person called me all the way from Germany and said, since she joined this program, she has learned a lot from this program. So I guess this program is meant for one person, at least what she don't know before, at least for the few times she have joined us on this program, she have already learned some things. That's the reason why she was able to call and tell me that she learned a lot of things from this program. So please, let's make this program to be a blowing one by sharing it and inviting your friends. Even if you don't know what to say, believe me, your friends that you invited to this program might have something to tell, might have something to say that you have never said to you in person. You will say it here that you will be surprised and say, my friend can say this kind of a thing. You learn from it. Okay, that's why we come up with this kind of program. Nobody knows it all. Like the title of the program is, let's educate one another, let's educate ourselves. Nobody knows it all, so we bring up topic every day and discuss about it. We learn from such things. So that's how the program function. You don't have very much thing to do about the program. So let's go back to the comment. Miss Grace, okay, said if there's love, I will accept him back. That's one from Miss Grace. And Michelle said, no, when it's broken, I never take him back. Okay, you see, our usually uh, 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 partner that will normally join us all the way from Switzerland, she's a white woman. She just made her own opinion. I said, for her own opinion, she will never take the man back. Fine, you see, but she will forgive, but she will never take the man back. So that's how we learn from each other. Like I said it before, I will forgive, but going back to the relationship, I don't think. Let's take divine, take the grace of God. If God really said yes, it's going to happen, that's when I'm going to take the person back. But if he doesn't take divine grace of God, I can never take the person back, because I can never continue living in regret, because that kind of life, my sister or my brother, I don't think I will continue living in that kind of category. Because once you must always think back and you remember something, and you start feeling bad as well. So that's just the point. For me, I'll forgive, but going back to relationship, I will not love the girl the way I used to love her before. That's just the simple truth. If I don't tend to cheat on her before, for doing that alone, I will start, because by the time she's coming back, maybe I've got another girlfriend. Understand? And you don't expect me to dump the girl I just got newly, just because you just came back, because you have been friends before. You came back. You don't expect me to just dump that girl easily and start, dating you back again. No. Oh, that means the love is no more there, and I'll start cheating on you, which you will not like. So the best thing is just, I'll forgive you, able just move on with his or her own life, and that settles it. Okay. Onyi Ife said, good evenings. Okay, you're welcome to the program. So that's just the simple truth about it. You cannot just tell me I will accept, because if accepting you back will just like cheating on you. So I don't know what's really happening. People have been calling. I'm trying to bring them up to the camera for us to hear what they have to tell us. But It seems like the network is not approving the call, but no matter how it is, you can drop your comment. Whatever you want to tell us that camera have not allowed you to come to the cam, you can drop the comment. I'm here to serve you. I'll read it exactly how you wrote it. I'm not going to add, I'm not going to remove. How you wrote it is how I'm going to read it exactly. So that's just the main thing for the program. So Alex also I said now so that's how we see it on today's program. Please keep on sharing this program and keep on inviting your friends. Let's see what your friend might say. It might help someone out there, and we learn from each other. That's just the point. Like I always said, in case whatever thing we are saying on this program, we don't have anybody in mind to say it, or we are not, uh, doing it just to make anyone feel bad. No, we are doing just to learn from each other. Someone send this message, send this topic. I was not the one that come. Some of the topic we are discussing here, I'm not the one that bring it up. Someone send it to me so that I can be able to pass the message across. We share from ideas that people are bringing up. So that's how we come about this program. Don't feel that any topic we discuss here that Chris Nkume is the one they are bringing the topic. No, I'm not the one bringing the topic. Some of you will bear me witness, because during the program some people used to ask some questions. I will tell them, okay, we are going to discuss it in our upcoming program as well. So you can bear me witness of that. That's how we do it every time. You bring up your own topic, we help you and find a solution to that. Let me quickly go back to the comment box and we continue on the program. As I said now, so then pretty could not bring you. There's already a guest, okay. What's really happening? I don't know. I don't know what is happening to the network. I can be able to bring anyone to the camera tonight, but I believe it will be fine soon. I can be able to bring people to the camera. So Pretty Bonetta said it depends on what happened between both of them. Okay, that's your own opinion. Yeah. What? I think that's good. That's good. Uh, then you just said, yes, I can forgive him, but not to go back. Then what is the broken? You can can't go together. Okay, maybe she's trying to say you can't go together after it's broke. You can't go together again. So that's her own opinion about this. So keep on sharing the program. I believe this is a wonderful topic that we need to learn from each other. At least, if not for any other thing, at least I know that 95% of people watching this program right now, they have been in relationship before and they know what it means to be in relationship, and one or two things may have happened alongside before. So I believe let's share this idea and see what happened. What is really happening tonight? I cannot bring anyone to the camera. What is really happening? Please, if you are trying to call, you are not coming or it's not connecting, please, you can drop in your comment. Let's hear you out. Even if write it anyhow, even if it's going to be more longer, just write it. I'm going to take my time. Yes, I know, Jump. I'm trying to bring you up to the camera, but the network is not allowing me to do that. I'm trying all my possible best. I don't know what is really happening. I don't really know. Maybe you know what? Maybe I have to end the. I don't like ending the live. I'm coming back again. It will make the video look scattered. Understand? But if if it's gonna work out that way, I have to end it and come back on live again. Then let's see if the calling will be able to be coming in through again. I don't know. If you guys agree on that, please write me. For me, if you guys agree if you guys agree for me to off it and come back on live again and see if it's gonna work, then you guys should write me. Let me see if we can do that and let it work that way. I think it's more better to go off and come back again. Let me still try one more time. If it didn't go this way, I will go off and come back again. I want everybody to participate in this very topic we are discussing. That's just the thing. So I don't know. I've been trying all my possible best to make sure that I bring everybody. So we make your own contribution in a way that people will understand and hear from you as well. But if it doesn't work, if it doesn't work out now, I apologize. I'll end the live and I will still come back again. Then you join me so we can be able to resolve all these problems that they have, because I know that a lot of people have been calling trying to make their own contribution, but the network is not working. So please, I will end the live and I will come back again. Okay, you share said Alex also said okay. You share said if a girl is broken, if a girl is broken, okay, if a glass is broken, you can you can you can join it with glue, but you cannot drink out of it. Oh wow. That's a very interesting. He said if a glass is broken, you can gum it with glue, but you can never drink from it again. Wow. It's a very well, I hope you guys are hearing what a white woman is saying as well. You know what? Please, I have to end this live and I'll come back again. So let me see if I can solve the problem of not bringing people to the camera. Let me try this way around and see if you can be able to work this way. If it works this way, that means I'm not going to end it. But if it don't work this way, I'm trying to do it now. That means I have to end it and start up again. Just to make sure that everybody said his or her own mind tonight on this topic we are discussing. So please, I have to, let's see what I'm trying to make sure that I bring someone up to the camera. But if it doesn't work, like I said, I have to end it and restart it again so that everybody can have something to share with us. We hear from them. Okay. Wow, finally, thank God it works. Thank God, thank God. So welcome to the program. Please tell us your name and where you're calling from. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, tell us your name and where you're calling from.
I can hear you.
And we've been calling to you. I've been talking to you all this while. Tell us your name and where you're calling from.
Yeah. My name is Paul now.
No, not for me. For the people that are watching us for the first time. No, I know you already. You are one of our contributors. I already know you. But for the benefit of those that are watching us for the first time,
Okay.
so just tell us your name and where you're calling from. Oh, we lost that caller again. Oh, that's a very bad one. So please, you can still call in. I think I've already started working. You call in and you make your own contribution, or you can send in your own contribution. I will read it out here, and everybody will hear from what you have written, and the program will move on. So I guess today's topic is quite interesting, but the comments and the calling it's not quite encouraging, but I believe that so many people went to party. Today is Sunday. Some people go to club, go to party houses, birthday parties. So one type of celebration. Okay, one or two celebration. People will be going there to, you know, to have fun on their celebration. So the ones at home, let's make this program interesting, look more interesting. Okay, just call in. Let's hear your own opinion and let's learn from each other. Like I always say, it's just about learning from each other. That's the purpose of this program. Oh yeah. So I believe you guys are learning something from this program, because so many people that contributed, it just seems like they just divided the the topic into two. Like have about, let's say, if people that have caught in this program is about, let's say, let me just use 10. People that have called in this program is about 10 people. 5 said they will accept the relationship back and continue. While 5 now said they will forgive, but they can never go back into that relationship again. You see, such is life. You understand? So that's how it happens. You don't know. That's just the main point. Because it might come, it might happen, it might. That's how it is. So, what's your own opinion? I know many people will not like to call because of the light issue of a thing, but fine. whatever thing. Just send in your comments or you feel like. So welcome back.
Yeah.
Yeah. So tell us your
Good
own.
evening.
Yeah, you're welcome.
It's like I understand the topic a little bit.
Okay.
If someone broke up in a relationship,
Yeah.
if he become and beg, whether they will accept it back or not.
Yes, and continue the relationship, or you just forgive and then you not continue the relationship again.
Let's talk about relationship. Like, is it fornication or you want to do a sleep with another man or sleep with another girl?
Okay, let's
Because let's talk
okay.
about
Okay,
this
don't really,
marriage.
okay, don't really understand
Let's
kind
talk
of
about
okay.
let's talk about marriage. Eh?
Okay.
Even Jesus Christ said that for a man to put away his wife, it should be
Okay.
only for fornication.
Okay.
Yeah, I believe
Okay.
it should be only for fornication. And it said that any man will marry that woman,
Okay.
or any man with that woman marry,
Okay.
is commit adultery.
Okay.
And if you go forward, you also say that without those things, if any man put away his wife, they should remain unmarried till they die.
Okay.
Let us talk about reality. Say we read our Bible, or we study the word of God.
Okay.
Nobody go get as one put away his wife because not feel about to the rules or the regulation.
Okay.
You know, guys, how many years we go dey? If not we fit bear am, if not we fit bear am, say not we fit stay. Then make them come together again.
Okay.
Now what the Bible talk? It say make them come together, and before they come together, that means forgiveness is that place.
Okay.
Forgiveness is that place. If
Yeah.
if the man not fit stay, the woman not fit stay, make them come back together. But they not say they not fit come back. Make them remain unmarried till they die.
Okay. No, okay. Now
So
you're talking from the angle of marriage being divorce of a thing.
but yeah,
Then
that I talk
we are
so because
no
before you enter marriage,
yeah, in terms of relationship, no, you can bear me witness that not all relationships that leads to marriage.
not on relationship. Before you enter relationship, now relationship that where you not plan, they're not going to lead to marriage.
Okay.
Relationship that where you plan, where solid relationship only lead to marriage.
Okay.
And relationship they not plan, now not they lead to marriage.
Okay. But in this case now, in this position now, you planned your relationship very well. And in process of that relationship now, you are still on that process of that relationship, and something happened. Maybe the girl did not cheat on you by sleeping with another man. Maybe in a kind of, like one of our callers said, have been watching? A caller from Malta, he said that if a girl should abandon him when he's broke, then something turn around and he now becomes rich. You understand? That if the girl comes back, that means the girl never loved him before. He loved him because of, one or two conditions. That he will never accept the relationship back. He can only forgive, but he will never accept the relationship back. And I have already said this before he called in on the program and said this example he just led now. So what you're trying to say people have already gotten married and they got divorced because of one or two things. So
Yeah.
he is now coming from the way that in process of that relationship, because the person that said this question now is talking particularly in terms of relationship and in terms of marriage as well. So we have just talked about marriage now. So in terms of process of relationship and this thing happened, yeah, and the girl comes back to you and said, okay, look at what happened. I still love you and I want you to forgive me. I want us to go back the way we are before. Will you accept that apology and forgive her and go back to the relationship, or will you just only accept the apology and the relationship you cancel it?
No, bros.
I hope I made myself clear to you.
When it comes to relationship, say
yes,
you and girl dey. Say the
yes.
girl, if not for the money, the girl come.
Okay.
And you can't not for the money, you let the girl go.
She come for the money, oh. She come for
yes,
body,
you know, say
oh.
you not for the money, and the girl come.
Yeah.
The girl will go. But maybe because say you and the girl struggle together, you cannot say you don't want the girl, or maybe the girl don't know say you not get money. Any girl we not like, but we will be say you not get, we be say the date, but the boy not get money. If the girl waka come out, say this cutting that for you. If the love dead there,
Yeah.
If the love really there, you really get the love for the girl.
Yeah.
If you date single, say the girl
Yeah.
come back to you,
Yeah.
you not get amount of the thing where the girl will do you, because as far the love don't already dey there, you go
Yes.
take am back. But if now you say I don't need them again, bygone is bygone.
Yeah.
I don't know if you understand me.
Yeah, I'm
Yes,
understanding.
bygone is bygone. When the love really dey there, if the love dey there, you
Yeah.
are free.
Okay.
Let me say fornicator. Let me say shit on you.
Okay. So what you're trying to say
Let
now
me
is
say
that,
shit on you.
okay, if I may get you right, what you're trying to say is that if the girl come back and you still have the love there, then you should forgive
Yeah.
you should forgive her. But you know that forgiveness is natural. You can forgive, but it's very hard, it's very difficult for you to forget. You know that.
Bros, this life will this way. Anybody who know they forgive, we know they remember. That person will be saying,
Now you're coming back
okay.
because I know that on a very good day you must
Anybody
remember that. Look at what happened. This year I've done this before.
Bros,
I know
that's
that.
also anybody who know they remember things. Not say that person not there alive again. The person don't die. They not they remember anything.
You are coming back to what you're coming back to what I'm saying. Wait, you're coming back to what I'm saying.
But if you remember, that one be say. But not that one thing make you remember say. If you remember, you want to look down on the girl or you want to look down on the boy.
Okay, but let me clear one thing. But do you know that same love again? You will never let's take this practical example now. I know people are hearing us in the house. I know this is why we are talking like this because we have no other call in the video. So let's break it down so that people will understand they can also call in and make their own contribution. Okay, let's take it down this way. Now, the girl come back now. When you first meet the girl, you have, let's just say your love for her is just 100%. You understand? Then after that breakup now, she now came back now. Do you also expect that 100% love you have for her for that very first time that two people have never gotten any problem, have got no issue? Do you still think that same 100% love will still be there? In your own
100% love not there, but
in your own
the 100% love not fit there.
Thank you.
The 100% not there.
But then do you know that? Wait, then do you know that when that love of that 100% have depreciated and come down, that will now lead to cheating?
Bros, but not say get marriage. Does not say get a relationship will be say who they not break up. 100% go 50%.
Yeah. Okay, you know what? Yeah, that's just do. I have another caller in the building. Let me just okay. We lost that caller. Maybe if come back, I'll bring him to the camera. We lost that caller. So let's continue talking. Like, okay, you're saying that 100% love will still be there, right?
Bro, no, that is if not true relationship, we be say yes, now really divine relationship. The other person will fit there for the man. The man will really get cautious.
Let me see if I can. Let me see if I can bring. Okay, we lost that caller. Okay, let me bring another caller to the building. If you don't work, I will bring you back to the camera. Okay. Okay. So you are approving another caller in the building. You guys have heard what we have a lot of caller in the building. We have another person. So you're welcome, my brother. Where are you calling from? What's your name and where are you calling from, please? I know you, but I just want you to know, for the benefit of those that are watching us for the first time, you tell us your name and where you're calling from. I know you have been joining us since we started this program.
God bless you. I'm Bro Henry. I'm calling from Italy.
Okay, you're welcome, my brother. So what do you have to tell us about this topic we are discussing today?
What I suggest about that is a nice question and a nice topic.
Okay.
But Bible let us know that first of all, the love of God is the greatest love.
Yeah.
So when you
So sorry, we lost that caller. We'll beg you to call back again because I know you have a message to pass across for us. But we lost that call. We are hoping that you're gonna call back, okay? So bring another person to the caller. Wow, you're welcome back, my brother. Tell us your name and where you're calling from for benefit of those that are watching us for the first time.
Okay, I'm calling from Italy. I'm Kelvin by name.
Okay.
The truth is that relationship have many types.
Okay.
There are relationship or marriage based on contract in Europe. Yes, now. Yes.
You come again today with another one again.
Okay.
Okay.
There are relationship or marriage based on contract.
Okay.
Based on when we marry for 2 or 3 years, and everybody will go a separate way.
Okay.
About which you and someone stay together like 2 or 3 years. You now find out that that person, you truly love the person, you did not know until you break up with the person or the marriage is over.
Yeah.
You can now as well say, I'm sorry. I love you deeply because the time I spent with you, I've really realized myself that I really love you.
Yeah.
In that kind of relationship or marriage, you will accept the person back.
Okay.
That one is one. Secondly,
Yeah.
there are many types of relationship, as I said. One, we have distant relationship.
Yeah.
In distant relationship, like for example, you are here, the girl is Germany, France, or Spain.
Yeah.
Based on you don't have anything here, the girl has to survive. You know what she do for a living. You will blame her. You will not take offense about the girl, what she does for a living, or what she does. I hope you are getting what I'm saying.
Yeah. But
By
brother,
which,
excuse, sorry to cut you short, I have to be more fast because other people are calling, so we can be able to bring more people on call.
What I'm trying to say is this. In this type of relationship, if any girl do mistake, or maybe she cheat on you, you have to forgive he or her because it's a distant relationship. For example, I have one question for those people, those especially people that say they do not have heart for forgiveness. They will not forgive the girl. They might forgive the girl, or they will not forget. If maybe virtually,
like me, I will forgive, but I will not forget that incident.
Good. I have that question for you and other people now. Let's assume the table turn around. The table turn around. It's not the girl, it's you.
Okay.
What will you expect from the girl?
What I will expect?
Do you expect the girl to forgive you?
Yes, I will expect her
not?
to forgive me. Okay. You know, I said, read my lips. I said I will forgive her, but the relationship I will not go back into it.
Okay.
Understand? I'll not go back to the relationship, but I'll forgive her. So I expect her to forgive me as well because I know she might have moved on with her own life and maybe she have found another person that is treating her more good the way I do treat her. I'm not expecting her to break up with that person and come back to me again. That same thing might still happen again.
Let's assume there are many girls who have patience. There are many people that do not easily go to a relationship. When they break up, they will stay for more than 2 or 3 years before they enter another relationship. By which you offend her, and maybe 2 or 3 months, he do not have that heart to go to a relationship, and you call back, and you see that you have really wronged that girl, and you still want her. You really love the girl, you still want her. When you call back, you apologize. You apologize if you say that you want the girl to forgive you, even though do not date you or do not marry you again. But within your mind, you will be the happiest man if the girl really forgives you and come back to you. You understand? See, my brother.
I'm telling you my own aspect. You know, I'm telling you, we're not arguing. I'm just telling you my own idea. You understand? I know I'm not. If I'm asking for forgiveness, I'm not asking forgiveness for us to come back. I'm asking for forgiveness so I will be free within me, and she herself will be free. So we can be able to greet each other if we see ourselves on the road.
The truth is that the truth is that some girls will leave a guy because of the guy do not perform well in bed. Some girls will leave a guy. Yes, I'm telling you the truth. Some girl will leave a guy because the guy do not have money to give to the girl. Some girl will leave a guy because the guy is not dressing the way they want. There are many ways a girl will leave a guy. I hope you are getting me.
That's another topic we're going to discuss another day.
Maybe
you see, guys, people are watching the building. Have you seen how we used to get our topic now? That's how we're going to discuss. Let's really know what is making girls or boys to leave their spouse. You see, that's another topic we're going to discuss next time. So round up, so I can bring someone else to the camera, please.
Okay. The truth is that if a girl offended you and you see the way she explained and she's really sorry, as a guy, you have a mind, you have to forgive her. If you offended a girl and you see the way she apologized or the way you apologize to the girl has to forgive you because you don't know tomorrow, you only know today.
Yeah, the
That is just
forgiveness
the
is
truth.
there. No, for me, the forgiveness is sure, but coming back is my problem. Coming back to that relationship is my problem.
Where you forgive
Yes, I cannot
someone,
come back to that
where
relationship
you
again.
forgive someone easily,
Yes,
you can go
we
back
can
to
be
the
friends.
person.
We can be
Yes.
friends, but
For
that relationship
before you start
hold.
relationship, first of all, before you start relationship, it's not friend. You have to come as friend before you start relationship. For friends, you link to another thing. So for that
But
friends, another, you see, some people go back to their ex. Why? Because they will reason where they are coming from. By sitting down or have lunch, dinner together, they will still remember, this girl that year, and that affection, that love, then still
yes,
come back because they still together. One thing will lead to another, my brother. They will find themselves in bed. They are
they will
reconciled.
dagger the
I'm
thing.
not telling you the truth. They are reconciled. Understand? So
Okay.
that is just the truth. Where you
Okay.
really love someone, if you like someone, it's quite different that you love someone. If you like someone, it's very easy for you to forget about the person. But if you love someone deeply, it's very hard for you to forget the person. If you really love someone, no matter what he did, you will forgive him or her, and you will still come back to her. And a girl or a boy, if you forgive her or him, he will never do that mistake again because he know that he has really offended you. Nobody is above mistake, my brother. Anybody can do mistake. All we just need to do to forgive and forget. If you really love her, come back to him or her, start afresh again. That is just life.
Okay.
So that
Thank
is
you
my
very much for that
contribution.
wonderful contribution. You just sit back because we still have enough time to talk about this.
Thank you, my
just sit
brother.
back and hear what other people will say. Thank you so
All
much.
right, God bless you.
Yeah, to you too. Thank you, and you too. So, guys, I hope you guys are learning a lot of things from this program. Okay, so let's see how it goes. The line is now open for those that are calling in. Before then, let me quickly read the comment that are coming in. Mike Sama said hi. Uh, pretty boy said nice topic. Okay. Mercy Grace said hi everyone. Okay. You share. Okay, my brother, welcome back.
Thank you, bro.
Okay.
So what I was saying before is that nobody understands the will of God.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's a mystery. You don't understand why the girl left or why
Okay.
the boy left.
Okay.
Maybe that moment, if the girl is with you, something else may happen to her. Or if the boy is with you,
Okay.
something else might happen.
Okay.
But we should understand, first of all, think about the love of God because Christ loved the world.
Okay.
And he sent his only begotten son to come and
Okay.
die for us. We all are
Yeah.
a sinner.
Yeah.
We are all a sinners. But Christ look in he doesn't judge us because of our sin or any other thing, but he sent his son to come and die for us.
Yeah.
Because what I understand about relationship or this and that, everything in life have a reason.
Yeah.
So if you really love a girl, maybe there is something that happened, she left you. At the certain point, she realized her mistake and calls back, say, please forgive me. My dear, think you can move ahead with her.
Okay.
That is my own suggestion. You can remember the past, the life you spent with her, many things, even if she's the one that helps you or the guy is the one that helped her.
Okay.
There must be something in life you have to remember, at least one thing.
Yeah.
So you have to forgive the girl if you are not in any other relationship. You can
Okay.
forgive the girl or the boy, you can forgive the boy.
Okay.
Move on again with your life. I believe that the second love is the greatest love.
Wow.
So
Wow.
that is what I have to say. Thank you
Okay,
so
thank
much,
you very
bro.
much, Henry Savio, for this wonderful contribution. I hope, guys, you guys are hearing what the house is bringing to you guys. So please keep on sharing this program. Henry, thank you very much. I have to bring another person to the camera. Let's hear what that person has to say. Just stay back and hear from that person. Okay, thank you very much for joining us for today's
Thank you,
program.
one.
Okay, now you're well done, sir. Yeah. So, guys, I hope you guys are really enjoying this program. Please Call back if you have called before and you still have something to say. You can still call back. The line is always open. So let me quickly go back to the comment box and let's move on. Michelle said, betraying is all even lying. If the person is cheating before marriage, they will do it also in marriage. Well, you guys have seen it. Then Pretty Boyenda said, as a Christian, you should forgive and also forget. Okay, that's good. That's one coming from Pretty Brenda. Then we have another caller in the building, but I have to quickly go down to the comment box. Then David Brown just laughed. He said, ha, okay, that's your own contribution. Then nice one from Osazuwa said, nice one. Yeshua said, when the heart is closed, then it remains closed. Love or not love. that one weak me, guy. Okay. And Osazuwa said, lovely, okay? You are doing a great job with your contribution. Alex Osazuwa said, good, okay? Yeshua said, but not playing with the hand of someone. Okay, with the heart of someone, okay? Mandela always said, when I was broke, she left me. Now that I'm rich, she want to come back to enjoy what she did not suffer for. I swear to God, I go use your part by verse. Bro, you get bad mind, sha. Your mind too bad. You say we use part by verse. Why now? You better just leave a message. Why go use her pants go buy Benz? I beg me. Not gonna do like that for real life. I beg go. Then Paul Obasi said, Henry Savior, your advice is perfectly correct. Wow. So guys, the line is always open for you to call in and make your own contribution. As you can see, the program is getting more interesting. Please keep on sharing the program, keep on inviting your friends. Let's learn from one another. That's the purpose of this program. Nobody knows everything, because if you mean that you know everything, so why are you still going to school? Why are you still talking to one another? Why are you still talking to your friends? That shows that you don't even know everything, because if you know everything, you have to work only on your own. So that's just the simple truth about the whole thing. So add your friends, share the program, because I know that this topic is happening everyday life. It's a very interesting topic. So welcome back, my brother. It's John Paul, all the way from France. We are welcoming you back for the second time.
Yes, so I want us to talk one small word. Now, one small word I want us to talk. I'm not just going to play what we're talking.
Okay.
When it comes to relationship of a thing.
Okay.
Let's use one word. The devil you know is better than the angel you don't know.
Wow. It's heavy.
Many people go understand that word. Yes. And not everybody go understand that word too.
Yeah, so sure.
Yeah, we are already there for 3 years, 4 years into a relationship.
Yes.
Because I had to move on for one reason or the other.
Yes. Oh, we lost that caller again. What is really happening tonight? Please, the line is always open, and the comment box as well is always open. So you make your own contribution. You call in and make your own contribution. Share the program. Invite your friends. Let's hear what they have to say about it, because I believe you guys might learn from this. Like I always said, no one knows it all. I myself that is doing this program, I've been learning a lot of things from these questions you guys are bringing in and how we are treating it. I've been learning a lot of things from this. So please, do yourself that same good. Even if you can't learn, just introduce your friend to this. Your friend might learn from this. Nobody is a monopoly of knowledge or knows everything. No. Okay?
You are.
Okay?
Like what I did talk before.
Okay.
Say you and the get already into a relationship for 3 years to 4 years. You get designed to move on.
Okay.
On one reason or the other. Then she can't come back to you again. My bad. The guy is a devil that you know, and it's better than the angel you don't know.
Okay.
You better grab it. You better grab it.
With better style.
With better style.
Okay.
Because your mistake.
Okay.
Your mistake always they make you they know the right things. No matter we're not gonna make mistake, we're not gonna correct, we're not gonna know correction.
Okay.
I don't know if you understand.
I'm
So
understanding you.
the point is that we should learn how to forgive and
Okay.
forget. Despite say the thing go remain as a memory for our head, but
Yeah.
the person feelings.
Okay.
That it go be like a weakening point.
Yeah.
So mook not that the person feeling. We should learn how to forgive
Okay.
and forget.
Okay.
That's only what I have to say.
Okay. Okay.
Thank
Thank
you
you
very
very
much.
much for that wonderful contribution. I guess you stay back and also watch what other people have to say as well. So, guys, I believe this topic is a wonderful one and blowing, as in a mind-blowing topic that you learn from this. Despite that, nobody is perfect in relationship or in marriage. No relationship or marriage is so perfect. You understand? But through this kind of topic, through this kind of program, you learn what you don't know, and you know how to. And when you apply it on your, so-called daily life or daily basis, doing that kind of a thing, definitely you will see a difference. So Henry Savior replied to Paul. He said, "My meant okay." That's a very nice one. Then another one coming from Mandela. Oh, he said, the truth is that some girls are impatient, okay? Them go just break up because of material things. When you don't when you don't the future of the well, okay, yeah, guys, let me complete that one. Maybe you are trying to say when you don't know the future of that when you don't know the future of that boy. Uh-huh. When you don't know the future of the boy, I guess that's what you're trying to put on. That's what you're trying to write. Okay. Now the guy don't get money. You come back. They beg for what? Okay. You see, everybody have his own perspective of thinking, the way he think, and the rest of it. Then Bestie guy said, Net, nice work doing, bro. Okay, thank you very much for recommending me for that. So guys, this topic, let's break it down. Nobody, if you really know what you're doing in life, and then, like if some of you joined us, some of our program some few days back, we talked about defining relationship. If you guys really know what you are up to, I don't think that breaking up is going to be a nice idea, or divorce is a very good idea. No, divorce or breaking up is not an idea. The only thing that if your partner, I believe that both of you are coming to relationship, both of you are matured enough to know what is good for you and what is not good for you. If your partner is misbehaving or is doing something you don't like, I don't see the reason why you should shy away from that. Call that person and say, whatever partner you do, call yourself. You understand? Call that person and say, if you guys are calling honey or baby or whatever partner you call, please, I really want us to talk and put some things in order in this our relationship. It's not going the way we are expecting. I'm getting kind of a report from some guys, and the way I'm seeing your movement this time around, I'm not getting it clear. So we are mature enough. Just let's us define it. Let's just know what we want from each other. Now, for you to come and hurt me this way, and at the end of the day, we end up breaking up, and maybe things turn around tomorrow. You come back with tears, or come back one can jam or something like that, and start begging. What you know that will spoil things in future? Why not sort it out that moment and let it be? If you know that it's not going to work out, you better tell the person, say, it's not going to work out. That's why I urge you. There's a topic that just came up yesterday. I should have discussed that topic today, but I said since this one have already came up since Thursday, if I didn't discuss it, it seems like I'm shying away from some people's questions, something like that. That's why I have to follow it with principle. Understand? So on Wednesday topic is going to be a kind of what we experience everyday life, like this one we are discussing today. Now we experience it everyday life in no relationship that is perfect, no marriage that is perfect, but what makes it perfect is how you guys share your understanding and the love that you guys shared. If you really know that what you're going to do is going to hurt your partner, that and you're going to live for a life of you're going to live a life of regrets of doing such a thing, why going on doing it? Why doing it? Why not just swallow the pride? You know, there's something they said. There's something I always learn from our pastor that used to preach. He said, if you want to do something, you can never achieve something without taking a risk. Maybe you are into a relationship now. You're looking at, okay, maybe this relationship now, this boy is not capable, or this girl is not capable of what I want, or something like that. And you know that, but in one side of your heart is telling you that with time things will get better, and this you can get a good thing out of what you are expecting from this person. Why not take that risk and say, okay, for this purpose now, look at my age now, I'm not getting more younger, I'm getting older. Okay, let me just take this risk and stay with this person. Whatever that comes out of it at the end, let me have myself to blame. Just make that as a decision, and making that kind of decision, you pray to God and say, God, look at what I want to decide with my life now. Stay with this person. I know it's going to cost me a lot of pain and a lot of things, but I really love this person to stay with, to spend the rest of my life with that person. Give me the grace, or at least help me to change this person to the kind of person you want me to be, because I believe in this life that God can never give you someone that is perfect. God has created each and every one of us. He knows our weaknesses. So whoever that comes your way, you know that your own strength is that person's weakness, and your own weakness is that person's strength. That's why I bring two of you together, for you to just work things out. But like what one of our contributor, right? He said some girls are so much impatient, they don't have patience. With some girls and some guys, not only girls in this issue now, they don't have patience. You understand? They just start up doing whatever, they just end up whatever that comes to their head. But if you sacrifice and said, okay, let me take this time. Okay, we have another caller in the building. You're welcome, my sister. Where are you calling from? What's
Hello.
your name? Your name and where you're calling from,
Okay,
please.
my name is Purity.
Okay, where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Italy.
Okay, you're welcome to the program. So I guess you know the topic we are discussing today, right?
Of course, yes. I requested for a call because of the last word you said.
Okay.
You said there a time will come when you think you old and you want to settle
Yeah.
with this person.
Yeah.
That any shit the person is doing, just because you want to settle with the person or because it's time for you to get married.
Yeah. Oh, we lost that caller, but I was just trying to get what you're trying to say. What I'm trying to explain in that point is that you have been in that relationship with the person, right, for like years or like months, and you have really realized that I need to settle down. And you know, in this life, before you get what you want, like the way some guys, like there are some things you have to put in places. Understand? Like you want to get married or you want to settle down now. The first step you have to take. I'm just saying it because we are here to learn. You understand? The first step you have to take. Who is calling me on normal call? Please, 1 minute, because someone is calling, because I shared my number last time. Hello? Hello? Hello, is on. Okay, I lost that call. So what I'm trying to say that if you want to settle down, you yourself know the kind of life you want to live and the kind of man you want in your life. You bring out pen and paper and write the kind of qualities you want in a man or in a guy you want to settle down with. You understand? Okay, I have another caller in the building. So you're welcome.
I
Saint
greet
Chuku, that
you.
is the second time you're calling us. Saint Chuku, all the way from Italy,
Yeah.
in Florence, okay?
So, the reason why I will not forgive my ex,
Okay.
maybe for example now, my ex cheat on me. The reason why I will not forgive her is that
Oh, what's happening to the
that,
network?
that spirit, I'm hearing you, that spirit has already been in her. So the
Okay.
reason why I will not forgive her is that maybe for example now I traveled now. For
Okay.
example now she cheat on me now.
Okay.
Then I now accept her back.
Okay.
Then I now leave her. We now got married later on. Then I now leave her at home with maybe with my kids, or maybe she's pregnant during that process, or maybe we have not gotten any kids. Then I now leave my wife. Then I traveled to Nigeria, or I traveled to every other part in this Europe side. I will not have that confidence. I will be scared because of course I've known the first place that my wife have cheated on me, so I will be scared. I will not have that confidence. What will come to my mind is that what is my wife doing now that I'm not at home? What is my wife
Okay.
doing? That thing will come in my mind. What is my wife doing now? I will not have that trust in her, because she have already, the trust I have in her before, she have already lose that trust. So I will not have that trust again. So if I travel, I leave her. My mind will be beating.
Your mom will
What
be
is this
judging you.
woman doing? My mind will be judging me. What is this woman doing? This woman, it's like he's cheating on me, no, me, something like that too, because she have already done it before. So that thing will be recall on my mind.
That's
So for you not to,
that's where we are not talking about forgetfulness, to forget. Yeah, it's very hard
so
for you to not
for me
forget, right?
not for me not to get for me not to have hypertension because of those things, it's better for me just to forgive her. Yes, nah. It's
Okay.
better for me to, because you see one thing about relationship, you as a man or you as a woman,
Yeah.
there must be one of you that have that spirit of jealousness.
Yeah.
One
Sure.
will help pass each other. Like
Yeah.
me,
Sure.
I'm that kind of person. You
Yeah.
understand? I don't want to share my woman with anybody. I
Sure.
just want, I just want to handle my woman on my own. So if I find out that my woman is cheating on me, it's a big
Yeah.
problem. I
Yeah.
cannot cope.
Yeah.
Sometimes I do ask myself, some men, if you love your wife,
Yeah.
if you cheat on you, or if you love your girlfriend, if she cheat on you, eh,
That love.
your mind will not settle. But
Yeah.
if there's no love, if your girlfriend or your wife cheat on you, you will feel I don't care,
Yes, you.
meaning there's
Yeah.
no love. But if you love her,
Yeah.
you don't want to lose her to any
Yeah.
fucking person.
Yeah.
So to me, it will give me depression.
Yeah.
Maybe I will be at work now thinking about my wife. What is this woman doing? You understand? What is this woman doing? Something like that.
Yeah.
So the best thing is just for you to, when you caught her doing that act, forgive her and move on with your life.
Yeah.
Tell her to move on with her life. Then you yourself, you move on with your own life.
Okay.
If you see her tomorrow, you guys can greet.
Yeah.
You can even take her to the cafe bar. You you can drink. You can drink together, because yes, you have already forgive her. You can take your S. Let me tell
Yeah.
you what. You can take your S to the cafe bar. You will eat and eat together and drink. But that does not mean that you guys will come back and do things together. Because the
Okay.
moment you do things together,
Yeah.
meaning you have already come back to her to her again.
Yeah.
You understand? But for me, I will forgive her, but we will not come back again, because he will still do it again.
So
She
you
will
are
still do it again, rather.
so you are my own category now.
She will still do it again. Me,
Okay.
I don't forgive. Once you don't fuck up, you don't fuck up.
Abi.
There's no forgiveness in my dictionary.
No, I forgive,
You
but
don't fuck up, you don't
I
fuck up.
forgive, but I'll not go back to the relationship again. That's my own. That's
And
my
you
own
will,
perspective.
that's the same thing I'm talking about. You will forgive, but you will not forgive in the relationship, in the sense
Yeah.
that relationship will cut
Yeah,
off.
that's just the simple truth. Okay, thank you very much,
So
Mr. Sent, all the way
I
from
really
Italy.
love this
I
topic.
so much appreciate your comments. So sit back and see more what people are saying as well, so you can still learn from them. Thank you so much for
Okay.
joining. Okay, let me bring
Okay,
another
you're
person to the
welcome.
camera. Okay, um, yeah, this one coming from Malawi. Mandela said, begging for what I've read this before. Best guys, I've read that before. Then having Pretty said, nice one. Okay, you're welcome to the program. I think this is your first time. Then you shared, said the love have nothing to do with money, but fornication. That is why they stop or they leave the guy. Okay, that's your own perspective or whatever they call it. Then Alex Osasua said, nice work, nice work doing, brother. I love it. Okay, thank you so much for that. Alex Osasua said, nice one. Heavenly Savior said, we don't meet people by accident. They are meant to cross our path for a reason. That's from Harry Savior. Okay, we have our sister back on camera. Heavenly Pretty. So,
Okay.
yeah, welcome back to the program.
Yeah, I guess. Thank you. The network was bad
Yeah,
before.
you're welcome.
Okay. I was talking about what you said earlier. You said that um if you've come of age,
Yeah,
just because you've come of age, or maybe I got it wrong, just because you've come of age,
yeah. And you want to settle down. Oh,
You get it? You just pray to God that anything that happened in this relationship, God, please, I want to really be here. So for me, I don't agree with that. Oh.
Okay, let me clear you. Before we go move on, let me just give you the reason why I said that. You have come of an age to get married. I believe you have matured enough in your brain that I want to get married. First of all,
yes,
before you go for what you want, you have to outline it. For instance, let me give an example. When I was in Nigeria, I was with my people. I do remember very well when my sister or my relative, they want to go to market, they take out pen and paper to write what they need to buy at the market for them not to forget when they got to that place.
Sure.
You understand? So as a matured man and as a matured girl that you want to settle down, maybe you have enjoyed all this kind of life, you have do all kind of things, but now I think it's time for me to settle down. Then you bring out your pen and paper, because I believe in the process of you playing your games, all this, I know you have met a series of men. You understand? Then bring out your paper, then you write the kind of qualities you need in a man. But you have to have one thing in mind, that God can never give you someone that is 100%. You understand?
Yes.
But if you can be able to get at least 70 or 50 or 60, then the remaining 30 or 40 there is what you can put into prayer and work it out with the person. Then you have to work on yourself as well in that area. Then if you can, if you got that up to that 70 from that person, and know that you are still with that person, then what you have to do is just say, okay, God, please, all this kind of life, live this kind of life. If you want to punish me, but please punish me in a way that at least I will be able to bear it to the extent that that person will change on time. For me not to die out of what I don't know. Then you call the person and say, okay, look at what. Then at least you have outlined what you want. Then you work towards it through prayers and your belief and what you want. I believe with that you achieve what you want. So I guess I've answered your question, right?
Okay. And the other one is, if you broke up with someone before, if the person comes back to beg you, if you accept.
Okay, yeah, that's the topic we are discussing today.
Yes, to me it depends.
Yeah.
It depends. Because to me, if someone cheats on you, then you broke up because he cheated on you, or she cheated on you.
Okay. Yes.
And you meet another person, the same person you left, probably before you left him or her, maybe the same person cheated on this another person that ended their relationship.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So to me, it depends on what happened.
So for you, will you forgive and continue the relationship, or you just forgive the person and let go the relationship? You will not forgive the person.
No.
You will not
I
forgive
might forgive the person.
But
I will forgive the person,
but
I can never go back to the person.
So you are my category. No. Wow, thank God you are my category this night. I'm getting more fast this night. That's what I just said. I said I will forgive, but
because
going on with the relationship, I can't do that again. Because that same thing will still happen and it will keep me on suspect.
Because if she or he can hurt you once, or he cheated on you once, he will definitely do it again.
Yeah, the second time, you're right. So
yes, if she cheated on you once, she will definitely do it again.
Okay.
So what you know anything that costs you peace is very expensive. You just have to forgive the person and just move on. It's better. To me, I will not go back, but I'll forgive the person.
Okay. Thank you very much for your own wonderful contribution. I guess this is your first time for this program, right? So please do join us every Wednesday and Sundays. We do discuss things like this that benefit. We are doing this program just to help ourselves. We are youth. Because even married men do in this program also advise us, we youth. So you know the kind of life we are living and know how we're going to move forward in our life. So please share with your friends if you love what you are doing. I'm not asking for friendship. Please, like I said earlier, I'm not asking for friendship or followership. No, we are just doing just to understand ourselves. If you watch, I'm doing this with my own personal account. I don't have any group.
Yes.
So please, if you love what you are doing, you can share with your friends. Let's share ideas. Thank you very much for joining. So just stay back and hear from what they have to say. Okay, now good night. Yeah, good night. Yeah. We have another caller in the building, Osazue again. Okay, for the second time. Okay. Okay, you're welcome back. Osazue, all the way from Spain.
My brother.
Okay,
yeah, good evening.
Yeah, you're welcome back.
Yeah,
All the way from Spain.
Okay. So my brother, my own suggestion is that if a girl is cheating on you, can you hear me?
I can hear you. I'm
Hello?
hearing you. I'm
If the
hearing
girl
you. I
is
can hear
cheating on
you.
if the girl is cheating on you and she come back to you, or the boy come back to you, say, please forgive me. You can
Okay.
forgive the person, but to go back to the relationship is very hard, my brother. Because
Yeah. Okay. He have just made his own comment and just left. Okay. Let me go back to the comment box before I bring another person to the camera. Then Henry Savior said, "We don't meet people by accident. They are meant to come. They are meant to cross our path for a reason." Okay, that's one coming from Henry Savior. And Heavily Pretty said, "Bad network. Okay, it happens always, but we thank God that sometimes we still walk through that bad network." Then Heavily Pretty said, That's based on trust issues." Okay, that's a very nice one. Now Marcus Rushford said, "Broken English, please." Please, you can use whatever language you want to use, understand, whether broken or correct English or pidgin, anyone, even Bini or any tribe at all you want to speak, and you feel free to express yourself. Please speak. Someone must understand what you're saying, even if I can't read it out or I can't speak it, but someone must understand what you're saying, because we have different tribe in this group, in this program, understand. So let me move on with the comment. Marcus said, Rashford said, "Caller." Okay, maybe I don't know who you're talking to. Then Heavily Pretty just laughed with tears. Okay, it's a very deep laugh. Oh. Then Peleto said, "Relationship of nowadays are suffering from kwashiorkor." Okay, pride is one of the key to the problem. It's better to stay single than to fetch a wood of ants wood of ants. I don't really know what is the problem of this generation. Well, I only believe in only God can bless me with a good wife." Okay, he's trying to say that he doesn't have a wife. Oh, for those of you that need husband that need husband or want to be serious, you can add him up and you guys can talk it over there. Okay, you are welcome back, Osafu.
so can you hear me?
I can hear you. Go on. I can hear you.
Yeah. So my own suggestion is that you can forgive the girl, but to go back to the relationship is too hard. Because why? If a girl is cheating on you, and you forgive him, he can come back again. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
When you forgive the girl, maybe for example, now you forgive the girl, also you said, okay, let's come back together. He can still cheat on you again.
Okay.
The best thing, you can forgive her, then let the relationship die like that. For me, I can't date the girl again.
Okay,
You understand?
Yeah, that one is
For
coming
me,
from
I can't date him again, because if I continue dating him, maybe I'm not around. Maybe I'm not around. I just left her. Say, okay, baby, please let me buy something. Maybe before I come back again, I will see him with another boy. It's like, oh, you understand? I don't know if you understand me.
Okay, I understand what you're trying to say.
So as for me, I better leave the girl alone. Then I tell him, let's just be a friend. When we see outside, hello, you understand? But coming back to the relationship is not fair. I can forgive him, but I can't relationship.
Okay, that's good. That one is coming from Alex Osazua, all the way from Spain. Thank you very much for your wonderful contribution. Okay, let's just sit back and hear from other people as well. Let's keep on making this program get more hotter and hotter and hotter. Okay, let me still go back to the comment box. He said, Heavily Pretty said, see my bro, Marco Rashford. Okay, Marco say, I dare here, okay? Marco Rashford said, broken, please, okay? Thank you very much. Heavily Pretty also laughed. And Marcos said, can someone tell this man? Okay, I don't know who you're talking. I don't know who you're trying to say. Then Sonny just said, truth, okay? Heavily Rashford said, please, bros, Marcus Rashford, okay? Just laughed, I don't know. Then Marcus Rashford said, me no even understand the English on the guy, okay? I don't know the guy you're talking about. maybe maybe you call us and tell us the guy you're talking about, or you write the person. But please don't criticize anybody. Nobody is a professor. I can understand. You can just speak in any language you think you can be able to communicate. You must understand what you're trying to say. Just make your own contribution. That's all. We are not here to criticize who speaks better English than each other. Okay, please. You are not here to cause problem, because this is my personal account. It's not a group something. If I see you causing any much problem, I may block you from joining up. But I'm not begging for friendship. I'm not begging for someone to follow me. Please, just be. Let us comport ourselves and learn what you are trying to learn. Okay, thank you very much for that understanding. Okay. Then Hanzo Energy said, nice one, big bro. Okay, thank you very much. Marco Rashford said, let me ask this question, please. Okay, go on. Then it's Dupes Dixon said, I'm new here. I'm new here. Okay. He said, I'm new here. I'm just enjoying this program. Okay, you're welcome. Thank you very much for that recommendation. Marcus Rashford said, I'm calling, please. Okay, but another caller is on this. Okay, pick up, please. Okay, I'm adding another caller up. Just give me some minutes. If this one doesn't pick, I'll bring you up to the camera. Just give some minutes, because I have a lot of caller coming in. So you just have to have patience with us, and you know. Okay, the call decline. Okay, who is okay? Let's see what's happening. What is all these messages all about? I have to delete this group as well. So give me some minutes. Let me pause that caller. Please, you can call back. The line is always open. You can call back. I just quickly do something on my phone. I have a lot of messages. People sending me private message that have been disturbing me with private message. I have to turn it off. I have to turn off my private messaging. So I'm back again. Please, the line is always open. You can call and make your own contribution. Thank you very much for joining us on this program. Like I said, that is joining the program for the first time. Let me enlighten you. Okay. We have another caller in the building. You're welcome. Please, where are you calling from? What's your name and where you're calling from, please?
Hello.
Yeah, hello. Where are you calling from?
Once I greet you. Once I greet you now, the program I really enjoy.
Okay. What's your name and where you're calling from, please?
And Razo Energy.
Okay, where are you calling from?
For this program, I don't feel like you. It really dey hard. It go really dey hard. I'm not sure say person like me go feel all that kind of thing, because
yeah.
If I say make I forgive that kind of person, then they forgive her, make I forgive her. If you say repeat that thing again.
I better the girl say then you may see she, so maybe they hear what they talk, because they hear you.
I say,
yeah.
As I take this, so person like me, I no go agree.
Okay.
Because I mean, for this world, I'm the number one jealousy. Person with jealous pass for the whole world now, me. I didn't tell you my mind. Now my mind, I didn't tell you so. Yeah, no, because I'm not the woman born me. Everybody you get your option. And my option you be that one. That is why I just did like that.
Okay.
I know what I did. I know what make me call myself man.
Okay.
But if the woman do that, you see me will make me and I break up, as in don't promote, as in bro. You know, me know you come, because you come like that 2 years, me know you come back.
Okay.
Because I know you leave go back, now front and they leave.
So my job should not be. So it's still there my category.
I don't know that the same with you.
Now the same category there, bro. You're welcome to the program. So thank you very much for your contribution. Let me bring another person.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah. Sit back and hear from other people as well. So let me bring another person to the camera.
Okay.
Please. Yeah, thank you so much. So you guys they here and now, because before I want to talk, they said only me be bad person there, but at least you guys are hearing it from other people's mouth again. So that's how it goes. So what do you think? What do you feel in that kind of situation? What will you do if you find yourself in that kind of situation? So let me quickly go back to the message you are having. He said, this was okay. I've read that before. I've read that. Okay. Elijah David said, hi. Okay, you're welcome to the program. So for those that are joining us for the first time, we do this program just to educate one another, because nobody knows everything in this life. because each and every day life we keep on learning. So we do this program every Wednesday and Sunday just to keep ourselves in shape, just to keep ourselves updated with what is happening around us. So please, you are free to call in on the program, and you are free to send in your own comments. I will read it out. I'm here to serve you guys. Whatever comments you send in, I will take patience and read it out for you guys to understand. So please keep on sharing this program. Invite your friends. Tell them about this program. We educate us as we all are youth. Let's put heads together and make this program to be an educative one for all of us. Because if you have been joining us on this program since we started this program, people have been calling and be saying a very big thank you for this kind of program. They have been learning a lot of things through this program. So if you think that you are going to still make more difference on this, please, you can also share this program and tell your friends about it. Let us do this program in a way that people will benefit from it as well. So let us not be stingy with what you can be able to, the knowledge you can be able to pass across to people. So let me see, as I'm bringing someone to the camera, let me see, read out some comments before the person comes up on cam, because Marcus, I've been accepting your call, but I don't know what is holding you to accept the call over there. But all still the same. If he doesn't accept, I'll bring another person to the camera, because I have a lot of callers waiting to share their own idea with us. Okay, I'm so sorry, Mark. Okay, we lost the other caller because of Marcus or whatever. I'm gonna accept your call one more time, but if it doesn't come up, I'm so sorry. I have to find a way of bringing someone else to the camera, because we have a limited time, because I'm going to end this program in few minutes or in few hours from now, because we normally end the program 9 o'clock and end it 12 o'clock. Okay, finally we have gotten you. You're welcome, my brother. What's your name and where you're calling from?
I'm Marcus Rojo.
Okay, from where?
People call me Marcus Rashford on Facebook, yeah.
Okay, where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Italy, precisely.
Okay, you're welcome to the program. What do you have to contribute in this topic we are discussing today?
What I just get to contribute, be say.
Yeah.
Maybe all those, like those, I can see some bloggers inside the Facebook say they don't have the heart of forgiving.
Yeah.
So I know feel blame them, because now their own mind, and those kind of people, they are the people who when get the forgivable in mind pass another person. So if you are a cheater,
yeah,
you must come across a cheater girl.
Yeah.
If you are a cheater man, you will come across a cheater girl.
Guys, it's vice versa.
If you be person when they straightforward, when you catch, when you see for club, just know say una will end up with club. Life. If you be person when you catch that with person when they close to God, where
yeah,
just get am for mind, say go get that fear of God for your mind.
Okay.
Like person like me, you feel cheat to me.
Yeah.
If I cheat on you, never you take it as something.
Okay.
If you cheat on me, you come back and say, baby, I'm sorry. I will still draw you near body. I will still deal with you.
Yeah.
Me, I believe on changes. It no matter say you cheat today, me say you know want cheat tomorrow, because now when I know say I get right to say this woman, this my wife, he don't go cheat on me. Now I go feel say yes, why he do that one when I go believe. No be when I know say I never get the right to tell this girl say why you cheat on me, because before me meet this girl, another person don't already did the back. Before this girl meet me, another person dey front when they wait for me to break up with this girl.
Okay.
So yes, the people when they say they get fish brain.
Okay.
Anything when you tell them, they can just lose their own mind with because of what they your hand now, with money when they your hand. So anything when you tell them, they will believe that. Your friend can even make this girl to cheat on you, because your friend can even advise this girl that this boy you are dating is a cheater. I saw him with another girl yesterday. Maybe you not do.
Yeah.
If he come back, come they tell you say person say see you yesterday, now lie, I be not be lie. Because even you yourself, you can't dey stretch for wetin she dey talk. Because you not do. Because that your friend just want making know wetin this girl go fit do. But all those one when the person they say if he cheat, he go kill her. You not go kill her, my brother. You not go kill her.
You know,
Even those sorry.
Okay.
Even God, if you sin against God, we all are sinners. So if we sin against God, I'm not that pastor. I don't know how many times when God say may they forgive person when sin against you. I don't know. I don't feel give account of how many
71 times.
But I know say Bible talk and say forgive this person with so many times.
Other 70 times or 71 times, something like that.
Okay, thank you for that. But I know it say woman cheat on me. And you went say you want to go buy something. You don't go back of your woman when you leave for house. You don't go cheat on your woman. What do you feel say that woman do? And this girl heavenly purity when say if man cheat on.
Boss, wait. Let me correct you on one thing. We don't call names here, please. Don't side anybody here. Just say your thing. Nobody should
I need to be precisely on one person.
No, don't mention name, please.
No, Okay. Sorry for that. Okay, sorry for that. That is one girl. Okay, sorry for that. There is one girl that called just now said she will not go back to the relationship anymore. What about if you are the cheater? You cheat on the girl, on your boyfriend, and the boyfriend caught you on the cheat, you cheat on him, and he know everything. He have evidence. Now you invite your friends to beg on your behalf to that boy that he should forgive you. That is what it was devilish work, as normal talk. You guess normal says to boy. Okay, you say to boy that is devilish work, and this boy is now like Steve Philip Pompous, like he's Alpha and Omega. He doesn't want to focus on you. What will you say to that boy?
Like I answered that question before. Like it depends. Like for me, I use myself as example to answer that question before. Like for me now, if I offend any girl now, I'm not begging that girl to accept me back into that relationship. My purpose of begging that girl is for me to have peace on my own, and that girl to also have peace on her own. If she decides to accept me back, that's left for her.
Okay.
But for me, I believe that what makes me to cheat on her, there's a time that you reach again. I will still do that same mistake again by cheating on her. If correction is not taken, you understand? It only takes grace of God. Because let me tell you one thing. There's something I want to let you know now. Let me just make this example now. I think all the house is hearing me now. We are guys. Do you know that as a guy now, as you are a guy now, you can have sex with more than 50 girls and no feelings attached to it. But a girl can never have a sex with one boy without having attaching feeling on it. Anytime that boy comes around, he must still sleep with that girl. Believe that or not?
Yes.
So that's just the simple truth about it. So let's not just call anybody name or start beating around the bush. Just
because it was the word that he said that I wrote the message. I make the comment that I want to ask this girl question. I wrote the comment there because if you cheat, okay, sorry for that. If you cheat on anybody, if you cheat on me, just to get her for back of your mind, say I go do the one where it was past that one.
That means there's no love in that place. It's better just forgive the person and let
if love is no love, may I tell you something? No love. Okay. No love. No matter how love they, no matter I tell you, I tell the whole world now. I believe the whole world is watching us.
Yeah, they are sharing
no matter how love they, the love can be only from the man.
Okay.
That we don't have
join us
that.
On Wednesday. Get topic. I want to talk about this love of it on Wednesday.
Okay. The love can be only the man who will not have anybody calling him, asking him out for a relationship. But mind you, there must be any man, any boy calling your girlfriend, asking him out for a relationship. In as far as in his social media, he do Facebook, he do WhatsApp, he do anything. Boys are there asking him out for a relationship. Automatically, he will lead into a cheater. Let me say so. He will lead into a cheating type.
One day. Yeah.
Yes, because they are convincing him. They are writing him convincing message here and here. So telling him all manner of words that one day you might just come back from work. He will just tell you that he just the first. You try to know what to make you. You just try to know what to make you the verse. He go say no, may just leave him. He the verse. Okay, what to make you the verse now? He go say no, just no. Because he don't read message when people don't send give her. They don't tell her, say, man, you be bad person because if they receive many call before you come up for house. So now only man go fit keep his phone. If man really say he no want cheat, if man really give his mind to everybody, say, I don't want to cheat on my wife. Only man get that mind. Okay. If you are not yet a married person, if your relationship are not yet maybe something like you have paid the bride price, you have the control on the woman. If you are still boyfriend and girlfriend, forget that one.
Okay.
That woman still have cheating message on her phones.
Okay. Please, I have a lot of people now calling on again. They want to contribute as well.
Okay,
so,
thank you.
Thank you so much for
I'm here listening. I'm here listening.
Just listen and hear what other people have to say.
Okay,
so thank you
I will call back.
Okay, no problem. Yeah. Okay, so I hope you guys are really enjoying this program. So keep on sharing. Let's keep on inviting people. So let me quickly go down to comment board before I will say what I want to say before. Please, can you turn on your light so I can see you, sir? Please. Hello. Oh, we lost that caller. You said, don't worry, there are many others waiting for you. Okay, that's what coming from you shared. Then Osinachi Obubike, something like that. Please, if I pronounce your name wrong, please don't forgive me. Osinachi said, I'm not understand. Okay, I will explain the topic again to you so you understand. Lucky Sylvester said, no be lie, bro, okay? You said, I never cheated on anyone, okay? That's coming from our white woman that always join us on this program. She's always joining us on this program, all the way from Switzerland, okay? Prominent Gold said, English don't die today. I beg. No insults in this room, please. Speak the language you can be able to express yourself with. I'm so sorry to, me self I dey speak pidgin English, I beg. No be say I dey speak English. Even myself, I don't even know what I dey talk. Whether I dey correct or not dey correct, but at least we just respect ourselves for this room. Nobody will be professor. Nobody carry English come out for belle. I beg. If na broken one speak broken. If na Benin one speak Benin. If na Igbo one speak Igbo. If na Agbo one speak Agbo. If na Italy one speak. There must be someone in this one that will always understand what you're saying. That's what I'm trying to say here. Please, let's stop criticizing each other in our language the way we used to express ourselves, because this will bring some people not to, this will cause some people, and will also cause so many people not to call to tell us what they have in mind, to tell us how can we learn if they don't call and tell us what they have in mind. Please guys, I'm begging, look at my hand, I cross my heart, I'm begging, please let us stop this criticizing of English, good English or not good English. Nobody will carry English come word, nobody will carry broken come word. Anyone will speak and you're free. Don't take offense whatever you see or someone write to you on this room or on this program. Please just feel free, be yourself, pass the message you want to pass across and let it be. Whatever, who have mark and even say what you want to say. Please, nobody will carry English come, I beg. Me when they talk self, no be say that me go school pass or no be say that me know something pass, but at least the little one I know I can be able to present. I'm trying my best. And how can you improve without speaking? Once you're speaking, you pick some words that will make you to improve in your manner of approach, the way you approach people, and you move on, you become a better person. Before, I don't know how to speak, I don't know how to talk before, but do seminar, attending seminars and reading and some other things, I was able to come up with something like that we are doing today. So please, nobody's perfect, so let's not criticize anybody. So let me That's by the way. Let me go back to the comment there while we are still waiting for to bring someone else to the camera. Okay. English done that today. I've read that before. Mr. Caller, okay. Then Michelle said you are talking too much about cheating. Are you cheating? Okay, I don't know whether the question is for me or for someone else. I don't really know. Then we have another caller in the building. Let me see. Okay. And then Marcus Rashford said, yes, I do. Then Promise God said, I know you. I know,
Bros,
I know, no. Okay, okay,
bros,
welcome back, boss.
I greet you, brother.
You're welcome back.
No, the reason, no, what people they rise, now they made the, now go make the program the sweet. No, the reason now. Leave one, they say maybe so much English is not allowed. It's not mean, a normal thing.
But you
No
understand
reason
that,
now. So if people
boss,
they
wait.
laugh more.
Yeah, boss, you know, say, some people, the kind of people that you meet, they don't like for them to be interrupted or for them to be, as in, to be laughed
Yeah,
on.
or if not. Yeah.
You understand? So
No, no, who they take her?
if you take a
Bros,
personal.
may I tell you what? Who they take her?
Oh, we lost that caller again. Okay, let me go back to the comment box. He said, promise to God. He said, I know, no. Okay, promise God said, I know. Okay, Emmanuel Joyce said, nice. Okay, bros. Okay, brother bros said, my people, we all are Niger. We speak the language you understand. Please, all of us are watching this program are not from Nigerians. We have white people watching this program all the way from Switzerland and other parts. We are not. It's not only Nigerians on this program. Please, for that comment, he said we are all of us are Nigeria. Not everybody in this program is from Nigeria. We have other countries watching us as well. So, but just speak language you know that you can be able to express yourself with. That's just it. So,
bros, leave her like that. The way you they see her, you they take her like that. No, if you they complain, too much, you go be like say, man, you they take her personal, not be personal.
Okay.
Facebook not get address. Anybody can talk rubbish. It's possible for everyone. Just leave her. So if you leave the comment, people will come. They come while they talk. The people they improve. They come. So we'll come see the devil inside. You understand? So that's what live video be. So they're not they take us personal, bro. Everywhere good.
No problem. Yeah.
May our maybe nine people they watch now. I bet Mona have hard to forgive. I stand on that comment.
Yeah.
For always forgive. No matter the situation you pass through, forgive. People die for your president or your way from Libya to Europe or your way from Navy to whatever, I don't know. But you still live. So have the caution to forgive human being. You understand?
Well,
it's
bros, understand one thing, what you are really talking here, what the really thing we are hitting here is that everybody in this program now have accepted in terms of forgiveness. But the problem here now, as the main problem we are facing here now is that, let's say, like I shared it before, I said 50-50. 50% said they will go back into the relationship and continue with the gear, while the other 50 said they will never try it in their life. They are a jealous type, they're kind of this and kind of that. They can never go back with that kind of relationship again. So that is just the problem. The forgiveness issue is being settled. Everybody said they will forgive, but the issue of picking up the relationship again, that's the main point now.
No. As in, no matter the I just take it. No matter the consequences, no matter what happened, you just have to forget it.
Okay, you don't move on with the relationship again. Or will you move on with the relationship again?
I will still move on. Yeah, because you know what thing about this life, it's good to experience something.
Yeah.
When you experience something, then you learn from there. And that same thing, if you stand by your words as a man, that same thing will never repeat itself again. Oder? Yeah, because you just this one did something like this. You ask it to on lighter, it did on the lighter, or it did on the lighter. Then you push him away. Tomorrow another person may see on the lighter. You started push a lot of people away. So when you forgive, maybe if you forgive, you are not well satisfied. Maybe you move down to the next step, then you see another different one. You understand?
Yeah.
So maybe when you forgive this one that offended you most, you can still live your life in the way it is. That does it.
Okay.
So you
Thank
have
you
to
very
forgive,
much.
no matter the situation. If they learn how to forgive person because
No,
me
the
they offend
forgiveness is
people
already
well.
said, but now going back to the relationship, that's just the problem. Continue the relationship.
No, you must go back. If you be godly person, if you be kind of person, you have to go back because.
Yeah. But I have to
Bro,
say my
you know
mind.
what?
My own person, I don't feel go back because I'm a kind of
Bro,
person.
may I tell you one thing? You know one thing about this life,
Yeah.
where you as in if you don't grow up, if you don't grow up, it gets some kind of things where you see, you call the look and say, not be this one be the problem.
Yeah.
You understand? So it good make all of us. If to say that so live video till they come, or even the one they watch live video well. You understand?
Another person they call now, mate. I go see call back. I beg.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, thank you very much for joining. Let me add another person now. Okay. You guys have seen how the program is getting more interesting. So please, the line is always open. You make your own contribution. Okay, Ross, welcome back to the program.
Yeah, my brother. Good.
I think today's your first time of joining us on this program. Please.
Yeah, this is the first time.
Okay.
Yeah, this is
where you're calling from.
Yeah, my name is Fred. I'm calling from Parma.
Okay, all the way from Parma. Parma is in Italy. For those who don't know where Parma is in Italy. So, Ross, you're welcome to this program. So, what do you have to tell us on this topic?
Yes, my brother. Yeah, what I understand in this program is that when you are in a relationship, first in a relationship, the guy, no, let me not say the guy. You cheated the first time.
Okay.
The girl forgive you.
Okay.
Still move on with the relationship. Okay. Second time, you cheated. She forgive you. Third time, Third time, you cheated again. Then she forgive you. When you eventually get married, what will happen?
Thank you very much. You see, that is I like. You know what? The reason why I brought this program and someone sent this topic. I wanted to discuss another topic today, but when I saw this topic, I said people need to hear about this. But I'm so much bitter that we are just about 11 people watching this program because the one we did on Wednesday, we are about 50 people watching it. And I have a lot of a lot of comments coming in. But I don't know why it's just about 11 people. I don't know whether people shared it or not, but that's not the business. But after people might still watch it. But the point is that a cheater is always a cheater.
A cheater.
You understand?
First, the starting, if the guy started cheating or the lady, it will end up like that.
Yeah.
No matter the forgiveness, the guy forgive or the girl forgive, there will be a cheater will always be a cheater, no matter what. Even though when there is forgiveness in it, there will still be a
love. Yeah, that 100% love will not be there again.
At all.
Yeah.
So
for your own perspective now that you will not go back to that relationship again, but you will forgive, right?
Yeah, you forgive. Then if you can go on for Tomio, I can't go on.
So you are my own party. You are my person now.
I can't go on. I can't go on with that.
Okay, there's no problem. Thank you very much for joining us. Please do join us on Wednesday. We do this program 2 times a week, Wednesday and Sundays. And people are coming from different part of the world and testifying that the program is very interesting and they're learning a lot of things. Like during the week after Wednesday program, someone coming from Germany and from Greece, they said they learned a lot of things since they joined this program. So if you find this program so helpful and you are enjoying it and you are learning something from it, you can share it and tell your friends about it. So let's make this program to become permanent. I don't have internet in my house. I subscribe to do this program to show you how important I want it to be. So thank you very much for joining us. We always start by 9 o'clock and end 12 o'clock.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah. So guys in the building, I hope you guys are enjoying this program. So keep on inviting your friends. Let's learn. So let me quickly say this before I go back to the comment box. They said there's one word I was reading one book where I'm boasting that, but I always do my research. I always do research, and like for me to be doing this program, it needs me to be doing research and keep on reading. I was reading one book one day. I saw a place they write exactly about this topic we are discussing. They said if someone break up with you in a relationship and later on, and after some days, after some months, after some years, the person come back to you and beg for forgiveness for you to continue that relationship, you have two motives. The two motives they give in that book. They said one is either the person is not yet happy the way he left you. He wanted to do more to hurt you more the way he left you and go. That's why he's coming back to hurt you more than the way he hurt you before, so you can hurt you more and break more of your heart before leaving you for the second time. Or he is not happy with the condition, the way you make your success. So he's now coming back to finish up, either to kill you or to put you in a critical condition that you never forget in your life. So these are the two things I found out in these things of coming back in relationships. So if that's why I concluded on my own, for me not to be a victim of that, for me to set myself free from emotional attack or emotional disease or emotional pain or heartbreak, it's better that you forgive the person and let it go. Everybody should move on with his own life. But if it's the will of God that definitely people should come back together and get married or continue the relationship, there must be a way that God will still find a way to bring you both together again. That's what I believe. But in that particular moment, at least I believe for me, I can't come back to that relationship. I have to move on. But it doesn't prevent me from doing what I promise. Whatever I say I will do to you, I will do for you. If I see any way to help you out, I'll still do that because of you have shared something in common, and I'll still keep on the relationship, the friendship. Now it's friendship, not the relationship. There's a big difference between friendship and relationship. So that's what you have to understand. So thank you very much. Let me still go back to the comment box before we bring another person to the camera. So thank you for watching. You said we understand. We understand. It's okay. Baba Bro said all right. Okay. Promise God said good night. Okay. Thank you for your contribution. Love it. God said you see they talk. But I don't know what you mean. Oh. You see they talk. I don't really understand what you mean by that. But yes, if I see the talk, yes, my program will end by 12 o'clock. We start by 9 o'clock and end by 12 o'clock. So it's my own problem, not yours. And it's problem we are learning from each other. Understand? Even if I talk from now till tomorrow morning, it's my talking. And it's my that I'm using. I'm not using yours. So thank you very much for your own contribution. Emmanuel Josie said yeah. Then Alex Osazu said no. Okay, I don't know what's going on. Yeah, no. Well, everybody have his own opinion to say. Then Emmanuel Josie said good. Okay, Love it good said now so my bros. Okay, thank you for your contribution. Emmanuel Josie said bros now so. Okay, Michelle said it's true. Okay, Miss Miss Tessie, okay, I'll jump that middle one because I know Sabi pronounce man no go bite tongue or pronounce what thing go make you verse. So I go, understand. I will come out the other one. Miss Tessie said it's true. Love it God said it's true. So the program is still moving on. So if you are joining us for the first time, we do this program just to educate one another because nobody knows everything all because we learn from each other each and every day of life. I understand. We do this program every Wednesday and Sunday from 9 o'clock to 12 o'clock midnight. Okay, so for the benefit of those that join us new, how we do it, we bring it up to the camera, you give us your own point of view of what you think about the topic we are discussing. And if you think that the topic we are discussing you don't understand, you can ask, we explain the topic more again to you so you to understand what you are discussing and what you are talking about. So please, the line is still open. The comment box is there, free for you to write your own point of view, and we'll bring you up to the camera if you are calling. That's just educate one another. That's the main purpose of this program. Nothing more, nothing else. Okay? So it's very, very difficult. Forgiveness, yes, everybody agrees on that, but going back to that relationship, like seriously, for me, I'm telling you the gospel truth. I don't really think I can do it on my own person with they like me. I go forgive you, but going back to the relationship again, I can't go. I will just move on with my life. I can't go back to that relationship again. Then we have another comment in the building said, we share okay. You share said good night. Take care of you, okay? Take good care of you, okay? Thank you very much. Good night too. Okay, see you on Wednesday by 9 o'clock p.m. the way we normally do it. Then Uyabo Happy Ken. Uwabo Happy Ken said, you are really saying the fact. Thank you very much for that recommendation. Then our sister, we have another person in the building, Katrina. He said, I will forgive, I'll move on with my life, okay? Same thing I'm saying. You should have said, I will see you next time. Okay, see you on Wednesday, because after today, we're having another program on Wednesday by 9 p.m. as well, normally, the way we normally do it. Then this one is coming from Nobure. Nobure said, we do the same program, trying to teach our bros, but for criticism, for criticism, don't worry, there is always there is don't worry, there is a lot ignorance among us. Okay, thank you very much for that understanding among us. Please, nobody should take whatever we are doing here personal. We are here to teach and educate one another. What you learn might be what you know. Sorry, sleeping on tongue. You know, say I don't talk for like 3 hours now. I don't even to talk noisy. I bet man, I know the what you know might be different from what I know, and what I know might be different from what you know. So the purpose of this program we are doing is for me to bring out my own knowledge, what I know. Then you bring out your own. Then you learn from me, I learn from you. That's just, we are not here to abuse each other or to take something personal, please. That's how it works. That's how it goes. And you have anything that is bothering you that you want us to still help you to put more light on it, for you to understand it very clear, you can send I'm doing this with my account. I don't have any group. I don't have any page or sorry to form. No, go to my inbox directly and send me the question. I will bring it up, because from like on Wednesday now, someone have already sent in the topic we're going to discuss on Wednesday. So the topic from Wednesday is already down. So what I'm just trying to do now is for me to how we be able to get that down to make sure that we do that Wednesday program. So then again, for this special announcement, please, one, I'm not begging for friendship. Like between Thursday and Friday, I'm not lying to you guys. I'm just telling you the gospel truth. I received no less than 1,500 friend requests. 50 in an hour. I started imagining how come. So please, I'm not asking for you to send me friend requests or start following me. No, I'm doing just for us to educate one another. You can just be there, just to watch the program anytime I'm doing it. Don't if you want to be my friend, fine, but I'm not forcing you to be my friend. I'm not forcing you to follow me up. I'm not getting any money from this. We're just doing it for just to educate one another, just to help each other, okay? So please don't think I'm earning money from it. I'm just begging you to be my friend. No, I'm not doing such a thing. It's just for us to share ideas. That's all. That's the purpose of the program. So let me quickly go back to the comment box. Remember, the line is still open for you to call and make your own contribution. And Amanda Westlife said, nice one, okay, thank you. Kamzi James said, nice, okay. Amanda Westlife said, I had loved to speak on via video your topic next time. Okay, next time we are having this topic is on Wednesday, and the topic I'll be speaking on that Wednesday is so much interesting. You can't afford to miss that program. Don't miss it. Don't let person tell you or let us start watching the video, because the purpose of doing this video, live video, for you to call and say what you have in mind at that moment. Because after the tonight program, I will share, but I will not be on air again for you to call, for anyone to hear. You can only send your comments below, and that's just the end. Nobody can respond to you again. But right here we are doing this program. You can call and we can give you a response. The one we can answer you to the length you are able to, can be able to answer. Okay, so that's just the point. The reason why the video is live, for you to call and make your own contribution. So next time we'll be doing it is on Wednesday by 9 p.m. Please just join us and make your own contribution, and feel free. You can make your contribution with any language you feel like. Broken, Hausa, Igbo, Ibini, Isha, any language you feel that you feel comfortable to talk. Just call, make your own contribution. There must be someone in this group that will always understand what you're saying. That's just the point. Okay, so don't take it personal. Just feel free. Even if someone say you don't speak English well, me self when they speak, I don't even know what they speak. I don't even know whether my English is correct, but I keep on learning, because more you speak, more you learn. You understand? Because if you don't speak, you can't know, you won't learn. You won't know what you don't know before. So don't feel ashamed. Like, let me use myself as an example. When I started my primary school in this country, I was the oldest in that class. I was sitting with 1, 3 years, 5, 10 years boys inside the same class. They are calling me Papa. Well, I don't say it because I know what I want to learn. Okay? So if you want to learn, take away pride, take away shame, put it aside, put those things aside and focus on what you want to achieve in life. So the topic still remains: if you break up in a relationship and your partner come back to ask for forgiveness, will you forgive her and accept her again back to that relationship, or will you just forgive her and let everybody move on with his or her own life and let the relationship die that way? So that's just the topic. So let me go back to the comment box. Samara said, nice one. I'd love to comment or read this one before. Alex Osazuwa said, nice one. Isha said, tomorrow is Monday. That's why. Okay, no problem. I also have appointment to attend tomorrow, that is Monday. So there's no problem. You have already done your own part. Then Slay Pretty said, depending on the depending on the circumstances that make me break up with him. Okay, that's your own understanding. And Nobure said, good job, bro. Thank you so much for that recommendation. Yishel said, never miss the program. You see, not that I'm promoting, not that she's promoting, but she knows what she have learned from. She's a white woman. Oh, let me just be open to you guys. You can check her profile. She's a white woman all the way from Switzerland. It's not a Nigerian. She's not a Ghanaian. It's just a pure native. Will I say native? I don't know. Not native doctor, but a pure. It's a pure Switzerland woman. It's not a half caste. No. But she has been joining this program all this while, and she knows what she have learned so far in this program. That's why she's saying never miss this program. To see that I didn't pay her to say I didn't even know her in person. She just joined the program the way you guys joined, and she can testify that she has been learning a lot of things in this program. That's why she's able to tell you that you should not miss this program on Wednesdays and Sundays. Not everyday things. I don't normally do live videos. Anytime you see me doing live, I have a purpose of doing that live video. I don't showcase drinking beer, carrying woman. No, I call those things nonsense. If you don't have message to pass across, why are you doing live videos? Just wasting data for useless things. So what I'm doing, whenever you see me on live video, know that there's a message I want to pass across. Period. Okay. So for your own good and for my own good as well, because I learn from you, learn from me. Join us on Wednesday, on every Wednesday and every Sunday from 9 o'clock till 12 o'clock. Okay. So that's how the program will keep on growing and we keep on learning from one another. Then Alex Osazua said, lovely. Okay. Then Yushe said, I learned. You see, he said he learned a lot of things in this program. You see, I'm just saying, she just write it now. Oh, we have another caller in the building. You're welcome, my brother. Where are you calling from? What's your name? For the benefit of those that are watching us for the first time.
Adi, I'm calling from California.
Okay, no problem. What's your name? I'm still the same.
My name is DJ Chris.
No problem. You're welcome to the program. So what do you have to tell us on this program today?
Me, I never know the program where you talk, because I just carry it up.
Okay,
no problem. You, because I think they are dating station. You're my data.
So the show where we go. The night they come for the show where we go.
So may not pretend like say no snap you. You get together.
I'm not saying we just come back for a show. I know, but I'll leave for the show come out.
So you got to tell your viewers where you leave me.
Yeah, I leave you for show come out because I need to do this program. This program is more important than that show because I didn't collect anything from that show. So
what be the program? You don't let me know before you come out.
You know, I used to know now. Wednesday and Sundays, we used to do the program.
I know. How do you not tell me the topic before you?
Okay, the topic. Okay, welcome. Let me just tell you the topic. Though I leave you at the program, I'll leave you at the show and come. So the topic we are discussing is: if you're into a relationship and after some time you break up with your girlfriend or the girl break up with the boyfriend, and after some months and after some time the girl come back or you go back to the girl and ask for forgiveness, they want to continue the relationship. Will you continue? Will you forgive the girl and continue the relationship, or will you just forgive the girl and move on with your life? The relationship will just die like that. So what will you do?
As in, like, if you are in a relationship with someone,
yes,
all of a sudden one or two problems came, then
yes,
you guys break up. Then at the end of the day, you go back to the girl to ask for forgiveness if you are at fault.
Yes, I want the relationship to continue.
Bros, na text me, we go talk this one.
You know, your train not call. Why not later now? Because other people didn't like the call.
Bros, na text me, we go talk this one. And the call just give me like 2 seconds. Man, jump enter text me.
But people see, okay, nobody don't call now. Nobody they call now. Just they talk. Nobody they call.
Allah, I'm not your program. I don't want to pin me.
So why is the one we are still waiting for his contribution? Let me still go back to the comment box. You sure said I'm learning broken English in this program. You see, the white man says learning broken English from our program. So you see, whatever language you speak, people are either you learn from the language or you learn something new on this topic we are discussing every Sunday. So that's just the point. So
bros, what you they talk just now? Say, if you go back to your ex.
Yeah. For instance, let me use you as an example now. As you there now, your girlfriend will say you break up with your girlfriend now, and later after 2 months or 3 months, your girlfriend come back to you and said, "You dare sorry for waiting happen. You want me to start the relationship again? May you forgive me and start the relationship again." You feel forgive and start the relationship again?
Yes, now why not?
Okay, you go forgive and start the relationship again.
Yes, now.
Okay, that's your own.
That one of first way realize ourselves.
Okay, and you believe forgiving her will make the thing that she will not mess up again for the second time.
This thing.
Okay.
For life, we all make mistake.
Okay.
You understand? One thing about relationship, my dear brother.
Okay.
Relationship not be they're not a permanent relationship.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
So relationship now what you say I dey call wait.
I go house now because other people they wait for the.
Yeah, I cut myself.
Okay. So you guys have heard it. He's my MC. You know, so we went for the show to see the kind of sacrifice I'm making for this program. So you guys should not take it for a joke, please. The name I'm answering this not for fun. That's my profession. I'm a DJ, but the guy I just finished calling now is my MC. Understand? We went for the show. So exactly, I left him there with another DJ that is playing just for me to come and host this show now, just to make sure I didn't disappoint you guys that are watching this program. Okay, so that's why I left my MC at the show and come and host this program, just to make sure that we always educate one another. You understand? So please don't neglect this program. I'm making so much sacrifice to make sure that this program keep on moving. We'll be closing this program by 12 o'clock. So if you want to make your own contribution, you want to do anything, you better do it now. By 12 o'clock at dot, I need to rest. I've been talking over 3 hours now. I need to take my shower. I need to rest and eat as well. So please make your own contribution as soon as possible. So he's still on train going home now as well. So the instrument to be taken care of later. Okay, talk to me.
DJ.
Hello? Yeah. Make your contribution. Make your contribution. We are hearing you. Okay.
Okay, you know, my contribution about what you are saying just now,
Yeah.
If a girl you have been dating before come to meet you and say they want your ex-girlfriend, let me say your ex-girlfriend or rather your ex-boyfriend, can come to you that he need you guys to continue the relationship, is either you are not in a relationship with someone, like you are not in a serious relationship with someone, so definitely you will go, because the particular time you guys broke up was just a time of, sorry, ma bring myself down, no want the English they had me. You just be like, no, bros, I'm not the no when they talk reality.
I talk and say use language. If you want to speak Benin, speak Benin. If you want to speak Ishan, person must understand what they talk.
I won't bring myself down for what people don't understand. If you get relationship with somebody where you say una two fair dey date, at the end of the day una come break up, then one of you come realize say wetin I do this guy or wetin I do this boy e no good, let me go back to him if it will work again, and the guy forgive you, or the boy or the girl forgive you, I don't see anything wrong with it. You have to go, except you have a relation.
Okay. So thank you very much for joining. I have another caller in the building because it seems like your network is not good. Let me bring another caller in the building for you to have heard your own contribution that you will accept her back and continue the relationship. Thank you very much. Let me bring another caller in the building. Just sit back and hear what that person has to say. Yeah. So we have another caller in the building. Let me know if you can come up to. Before that, let me quickly read the comments you are having. Silva said, "I will forgive her and I will be praying for her that God should change her, change her. Okay, that God should change her way, and I believe that one day God will have
Yo, bro.
His way. Nobody is above mistake." Okay, you're welcome, my brother. What's your name and where you're calling from?
I'm Noble.
Okay,
I'm
where are
here
you
in
calling from?
Torino.
Where are you calling from?
Torino,
Okay,
Italy.
okay. Mr. Nobu is calling all the way from Torino. So let's hear you out, brother.
Yeah, I want to address you little on this relationship cheating matter, you understand?
Yeah.
You know, it's a matter of love, you know.
Okay.
When she cheats you, it's a kind of mistake, you understand? You have to give it a chance, you know. If you really ask from.
Okay. Well, you lost that caller, but let me still go back to the comment. Then Michelle said, mistake is not a cheating. This is another kind of, trying to differentiate what we are really trying to say here. So if you believe what she said, you can still make more emphasis on what you're saying. Okay. So he said mistake is not cheating.
Yeah, I'm back.
Okay, welcome back.
Yeah, I'm back. You understand? It might be a mistake, you understand?
Okay.
Being with a girlfriend in a relationship is like you being with your partner, you understand? Mistake might come from your side, might come from her side. But since you understand this code, you know, love is a code.
Yeah.
When you understand this kind of code, there is always mean of forgiveness.
Okay.
You understand? Even a brother from the same mother, my mistake, you might go wrong against you, might have a different idea with you. It's all a matter of giving it a chance. You understand? They said you can be a first fool is not a fool, second fool is not a fool, which means there is always better idea ahead. You understand?
Yeah.
You understand what I'm trying to say?
So in your own perspective now, you're trying to tell me that you forgive her and also move on with the relationship. You continue with the relationship. That's what you're trying to let us know, right?
Yeah. What I'm trying to let you know is when the love is real, there must be always, you understand, a room for forgiveness. You understand?
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah, I understand.
Your present and past doesn't count, but it makes the future.
Okay.
Who knows? She might come or he might come better than yesterday. You don't know. I don't know.
Okay.
You understand? If you never give it a try, you will not. You understand?
Yeah. So you believe that? Sorry, don't mind me for opening my.
No,
I'm so
don't
tired.
worry. Don't worry. I
Yeah,
feel you.
I've been stressed. I've been stressed up since I'm just coming from a show and I need to do this.
Yeah.
So I need to rest, but just for me to put everything in order before going to bed. So what I'm trying to say that for you in your own angle, you definitely accept the girl back or with the relationship.
You know, now we are talking in general.
Yeah.
I can talk by myself. I can talk for
No, we are just
yeah.
highlighting everything because I said for me, I will forgive the girl, but I will not go on with the relationship. That's me. I don't need to hide anything. I just have to be open. So many people have just said the same thing.
I
Understand?
feel you. Yeah.
So
Even there is no love, you can still move on like friends.
even if there is
That's
love,
what you
because
try.
see, let me tell you one thing. Even if the love is still there, let me just explain this thing now because there's something that so many people don't understand. Even the love is still there because you can't tell me that the girl you meet for the first time, you have 100% love for her, and this kind of mistake comes up. Definitely, that 100% love you have for her more depreciates to either 70 or 50. What
Even
happened to
40.
the rest 30 that went out? That 30 or that 50 that went out will now bring out cheating now. Because you won't take her serious again. That's number one.
Yeah,
Then that will not take you to any level again. Then you end up deceiving her. So it's better that you don't move on with it and just let her know that taking you back into my life may cause something that you may regret later in the future. It's for me to just tell you the truth and save myself from any cause or from any harm that will coming up later, because you may think you are a sharp guy and let me just go play on with the girl, take her as a fucking mate or a sex mate. Then when time comes, you dump her. Maybe that time you were planning to dump her now, something may have gone wrong then.
Yeah,
Then you end up blaming yourself. What if I have known I could have left her so many during that period? So the best thing for me not to die in, for me not to be in a prison of emotional pain. We can be friends. We can be friends, but we're not that close friend to a relationship again. No, we can hang out. Maybe for coincidence we meet in a road out. I can take you out, just give you one or two things. For the purpose that we have shared something in common together before, we have seen our nakedness before, that kind of a thing. But coming back to that relationship again, I believe for me, I believe that if she can